Today we have one of my old students, Vinod Krishnan. He likes to shoot fashion and celebrities, and he also shoots in India, and he is just like Driven. He also shoots abroad. That means he also shoots in the United States. He likes to call himself a visual storyteller, and he likes to, capture drama of life, as he says. He has worked with a lot of photographers, Ian Pereira, Farooq Chotia, Tarun Viswas. So he has managed to garner a lot of experience in the form of styles of the different photographers. So this is going to be a very interesting talk that we'll have today with Vinod. Vinod, you ready?
I'm perfect. I'm set.
You're ready.
I'm
Good.
all
So I'll
set.
tell you what I'm going to do. Yeah. So then I think let's get started.
So you want me to start with the slides, or how should I go about?
Let's first talk about initial part of it. In a sense, I have one started question is that, how do, good. So now I can see big now. All right. So question here is, what made you think of photography as a career? Because there are a lot of people who, we have heard a lot of stories. Some who tried their hand with engineering and chartered accountancy and law, and then suddenly decided on becoming photographers. And there are some people who said, oh, well, that was a lifelong passion, and boom, it went into it. And there are some who said, I didn't give a damn about photography in my life, but suddenly I got a chance to see some pictures and I got excited and I thought, okay, this is going to be my life. So there's a lot of interesting beginnings that people have made in life. We'd like to know how interesting yours was.
Yeah. Hi, good evening, everybody. Good evening, Girish and With. I got a message like बोल रहे कि हिंदी में भी बात करो. So is it okay if I speak in English as well as Hindi?
We'll do it in English, Hindi.
Yeah,
Not
I just got a message. 4 messages.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
Okay.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम लोग हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बात
In English, yeah, yeah. After my college, like during my college time, I used to always shoot a lot with a normal what is that called, a TLR camera, which my friend used to have. Like I used to shoot a lot of college functions. I was there in a college called Narsi Mondi College. And I used to do a lot of people shot like बच्चे लोग का like हमारे कॉलेज में रोज डे होता था, ट्रेडिशनल डे होता था, ऐसा I used to keep a lot of shooting pictures. और I don't know like थोड़े मेरे pictures थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है, that is what I perceive. And I just thought कि हाँ भाई कुछ ना कुछ like college के बाद like I was a commerce graduate. Photography का तो कुछ लेना देना नहीं था. Like even my family is like totally like a traditional family, a simple family. My father was working in a mill. Like there was no art background in our life. हमारे यहाँ पे कोई भी art नहीं था. As it is, मद्रासी लोग क्या करते हैं? Like maximum they go to a bank or either they are opening a restaurant. So हम लोग का photography was no way related. कुछ था ही नहीं. But my uncle was there. He used to have that twin lens reflector, दो lens वाले होते हैं ना. DLR कैमरा था उसके पास, and he used to shoot some pictures. जो मेरे बचपन के फोटोज उसने काफी शूट किया. That was the only link which we had regarding photography. But what happened is after graduation, I suddenly felt कि अभी life में करे क्या? Because academically I was not that brilliant, and my brother was there in Lintas. He did his management and he got a break in Lintas, and he was there in Lintas for at least for 5 to 7 years. And वहाँ पे मैं whenever I used to meet him in his agency, then from there I also attend a couple of shoots with him. तभी मुझे कुछ चमका के I think this photography is the profession where I think my real calling is. And as the way the luck happened, and my sister came from the United States. She used to stay in Louisiana. She gifted me a Sears camera. Sears करके वहाँ पे departmental stores होता है like Nordstrom. So they have their own brand of Sears camera.
Right.
It is like a Pentax camera which I still have. So she gifted me that camera. And when she went back, उन लोग के पास like any American, they always have 2-3 cameras extra. So उसने ऐसी आग बंद करके दे दिया. That was the first camera with a normal lens. So I dabbled with that. I used to shoot a lot of pictures like मेरे society colony में सबको पकड़ पकड़ के लाता था मैं. Like तेरा फोटो निकालता हूँ. And it was a very expensive thing. और
That's right.
I used to shoot a lot of my relatives, like vendors and hawkers and people fishing and stuff. I used to never know anything about photography. Auto में रख के I used to shoot that. Then I just thought कि चलो कुछ तो life में करना चाहिए, and I got admissions in advertising management. I was a student of XIC. It was like a 1 year integrated course, but I was not totally passionate about that. But होता है ना लाइफ में कुछ करना है, तो फोटोग्राफी का कुछ जहाँ तक कुछ आया नहीं था ऐसे. And after my advertising management diploma course, I got placed in a small agency called Ubiquitous, which is a small agency somewhere in Dadar. 10-15 लोग काम करते थे. I was working in that agency for 3 months. तभी I just realized that this client servicing life is not a thing for me. And there were some shoots which was happening. वो लोग में shoots में I used to go. कोई कीर्ति पांड्या नाम का एक photographer थे, काफी senior photographer. Somewhere in Colaba, I attended a shoot.
Lotus Studio at Colaba.
Yeah, so I attended a shoot. I was a client servicing person at that time when I attended a shoot. Then I just thought, okay, this client servicing is not happening with me. So I asked my parents, who were very, very supportive, and they said, okay, do whatever you feel like, and just enjoy and just love whatever you do, because work is like worship. That's what's my dad's line. Even though he was coming from a very humble, poor family, my dad supported me a lot. But the main support was my elder brother, because he was doing very good in my life. That is the start of the career. And he asked me to सब छोड़ दे तो advert photography पे concentrate कर. तभी मैंने I think एक छोटा सा basic photography का course किया मैंने. वो कैमरा का aperture क्या होता है, shutter speed क्या होता है, film speed क्या होता है, totally कुछ भी नहीं idea था मुझे. I did it 1 month course somewhere opposite Dadar station. But my major turning point came when I joined your course. आपका जो 1 हफ्ते का course किया था. And
how did you find out about our school?
Yeah, there was a friend of mine whose name was Nitin Upadhyay.
Yeah.
I knew Nitin very well because I used to just meet him. I used to go to some different agencies when I was in designing and stuff. So I used to meet him regularly, and I just told him कि photography करना है, this that. So he said the best thing you should go and meet Girish. He has an institute in VT में Elphinstone House में वहाँ पे आपका studio था.
That's
so
right.
I met you, and luckily after I think 15-20 days like हमारा course like 3 days photography and this.
Yeah, that time we were doing short workshops and stuff like that.
Precisely, yeah. That was my start. तभी भी मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. So all thank you to आपने मुझे discount भी दिया. I still remember. I'm obliged for that. आपने मुझे कुछ 40% या 30% का discount दिया. I was very happy, and I ended the course, and that was my turning point. And that time I was totally fascinated. जब आपने एल्यूमिनियम का lights देखा, मैंने soft boxes देखा, umbrellas देखा, the way you're talking to the model. तभी you used to have 3-4 assistants like Baba was there, Sandy was there, Ninath was there. That time I met them, and I was really jealous of them. और लोग इतना lucky है, they are assisting you so closely. And after a week I asked you, can I assist you? You said you're already full. And after a week, like I got in touch. वापस मेरे परेशान किया. Then you put me to Jaideep Oberoi. Then I was there with Jaideep Oberoi for 5-6 months. फिर उसके बाद you put me to Ian Pereira. I was there with Ian Pereira for at least for 2 years, 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
So basically, like that was my turning point. So I'm really obliged to you. Like after meeting you, my life totally took a different turn, and
we do what we can do.
Yeah, precisely. Yeah.
Then of course it's your destiny.
I think destiny be here, and yeah, totally your support also. Because I never knew any photo. I never knew Jaideep Oberoi. Neither I knew Ian Pereira. So it was so nice. So it was a good gesture from my side, and they also put me under मेरे शरण में उन्होंने मुझे लिया. उनके शरण में मैं गया आनंद से. And yeah, so life it's like a complete circle. Even I assisted different photographers. It's like a continuous.
How did you get a first break?
First break, my personal assignment. Personal assignment जब मैं Ian के साथ shoot कर रहा.
Assignment or something like that.
I got a shoot from Lintas. I shot for close up. That was my first assignment. It was like a very basic shoot, like pack shots ka shot tha, but they paid me very well at that time also. So I shot with a 35mm camera. That was a Nikon camera, and that was the first assignment of Lintas which I got.
Right.
Through some networking and stuff. It was like very basic, simple shots, but it was a big high for me. I shot in my home.
So that's how you start. See, that's how
yeah.
we always start with a humble shoot.
Yeah, but it's a long learning. That is almost 25 years I'm doing photography. Like in case I'm shooting a celebrity tomorrow, it's like a tense night before me. Like kaisa hoga. It all depends upon the celebrity moods, plus how the model will go, how the makeup. Like anxiety हमेशा रहता है मुझे अभी भी.
That's correct.
Yeah, so I think it's a long journey, but it was like a fun journey, full of learning. Still, I'm learning today.
Oh yeah, we are learning today ourselves also. So
Yeah.
even after 40 years in the line, I'm still learning. So
Okay. So I think that is the best thing. You should always have that just to see a lot of pictures every day.
yeah.
Keeping improvising.
The children have access to a lot of media from all
Exactly.
इंटरनेट ये वो, and out of the suddenly कोई googly डाल देगा सर इसका मतलब क्या है, you get a shock of the life when you answer them back in perfect the right answer, and then सर आप
precisely.
कैसे जानते हैं, ऐसे कैसे जानते हैं, मतलब मैं भी आज सीखता हूँ भाई, even I'm a student.
Yeah. और पहले के जमाने में इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं करता था. अभी now
नहीं,
you have YouTube.
there were some few magazines which used to get once in a blue moon,
Yeah.
the only source
Like
available.
when I wanted to learn, like कुछ options ही नहीं था मेरे पास.
नहीं था,
तो
नहीं.
पढ़ो या बड़े-बड़े like specific photographers and learn under them.
Yep.
Like sacrifice 2-3 years and learn every day, slowly study. But today, like everything is available online, and that way. So that's a great thing. So it's a fun journey. I just enjoy the journey.
It is a fun journey.
Yeah, it's a fun
Because, there's nothing boring in a photography.
No ways.
Lots
Yeah.
of ups and downs, of course, that is in all sectors of life. But the best part of photography is that you were never bored. And just not
Precisely.
bored. You're doing everything brand new every day, meeting different people, different products, different subjects to shoot. So it's a lot of fun. I tell you what you do. I'm sure the people are going to be wanting to see your work and stuff like that.
Okay, perfect.
So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to let you get on with your presentation. And
Perfect.
while you are making your presentation, I'll be asking questions in the middle and all that thing.
Perfect. I would love that. Yeah.
So then they will, plus of course, by that time, they will be asking questions too. So
I love to answer questions. I would like to tell the audience, please come up with the questions. Yeah.
Interaction is fun. There's a lot of learning for you guys also and for us also.
I can start?
Yeah, you can start. Any question?
Is it perfect?
Yep.
Yes. So yeah. So this is my start of the slide. So yeah, throughout my journey, like I'm really indebted to a lot of people. Like a lot of people have supported me in my career. A lot of celebrities, a lot of politicians, a lot of industrialists. But the main blessing which has come to me, like this is from the person called Sri Satya Sai Baba. So I'm really indebted to him. And luckily, after a lot of I tried a lot to photograph him. Like I go to Puttaparthi, like to Andhra Pradesh. Like I regularly am a staunch devotee. So my entire family is devoted to Satya Sai Baba. So I was fortunate enough to shoot Swami on his 75th birthday. I had to take permissions from the Andhra Pradesh government, from the Indian government, because a lot of president and the prime minister were over there. So काफी मेहनत करने के बाद I got a chance to him. And even after his samadhi, like after it's almost like 9 or 10 years after the samadhi, he still guides my destiny. So for the divine grace that lit up my path and stayed my hands and sharpened my focus. So whatever skill and whatever, and then photographing Baba was the most biggest achievement which I have in my life till date. Like उनको जो photography करने का chance मिला. So whenever he used to come to Mumbai or in Bangalore or in Andhra, so really indebted to him. So whatever I am is all because of him.
It's always nice to have some spiritual guidance in life.
Precisely. This is my humble family, my mom, my dad, my brother. ये जब काफी बचपन का पिक्चर है हमारा. So I'm sitting next to my mom. This is when I must be around पहली या दूसरी में था. This is the first thing I was. एक छोटे से स्टूडियो हमारे गोरेगांव में जो अभी भी है. So I guess this is a very important picture for me. I still treasure. So my dad was working in the mill, and my brother was still in advertising. So my brother supported me a lot in my career. So that is the reason where I am today. It all started all started after my graduation and my advertising management degree in 1993. So luckily, the first year, Girish Mistry, he was my first mentor, first photography mentor. Like Girish was very humble enough to put me under Jaideep Oberoi, Ian Pereira, Farooq Chotia, and Tarun Vishwa. And I assisted everybody. I tried to assist you, Girish, but you are always full of assistance. मुझे chance ही नहीं मिला. So you are always full of battery of assistance.
Yeah, but then I was famous as the guy with the cricket team of assistants.
So full था आपके यहाँ पे तो in fact I spoke to you thrice, 3 या 4 बार पूछा. You used to always say यार मैं full है यार. तू जयदीप के पास जा या तू Ian के पास जा. So I think you must be got bug with me. So you also put me to Farooq also. I still remember. And yeah. So apart from the big time mentors, I also inspired by Prasad Naik's work, Brooke Shedden's work, Tarun Kiwal, Suresh Tejal Patni, Nick Knight. So I keep on watching these people's work. Like I always see to every month. I always follow some photographers' work. Like in a particular month, I go through at least 5 to 10 photographers' websites. So by that you come to know what's happening in the world and how the photography thing is evolving. So if in case you see young photographers work, it's totally different nowadays. If you see Tarun Vishwas work, who is from Delhi, his work is like really outstanding. It's up to the mark. So I'm really inspired by these photographers, and I always been a Nikon and the Hasselblad guy. I've been using this my 10th Nikon, I think, and apart from that, I also use Hasselblad. So whenever any agency shoots requires, so आजकल तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं कैमरा लेना है. So most of the photographers in India know nowadays everything is hired. Like camera भी hire होता है, lighting भी hire होता है.
Everything is available for rent right now.
Everything is available. I know Tarun Vishwa, Tarun Kewal sir, whenever they come to Mumbai, they don't get anything. वो लोग के पास एक normal haversack रहता है with the hard drive. बाकी everything, assistants, lighting, studios, makeup, hair, everything is hired. So that is the best part. कि पहले ऐसा नहीं है कि photographer के पास कैमरा होना जरूरी है. So even in case your mind is fresh, like in case your mind is full of ideas,
True.
so you don't need a camera also. And I am an Enchrome guy, but there are some shoots I normally hire a Broncolor just because of the speed. If in case you're shooting a fashion or a celebrity, you can't go here and there. So I hire Broncolor. So the best part with the Broncolor light is कि उनके साथ आदमी भी आ जाते हैं. So it's like easy to shoot. And the favorite my subject is fashion, food, and people. Food के भी काफी shoots करना है, but off late is a lot of fashion and people is happening. Plus nowadays I'm also mentoring people, teaching photography, so like leaving my legacy, like 25 years से जो भी मैंने सीखा है. I would like my assistants to learn, and I must have at least around 60 to 70 assistants who have gone through me. आपके classes में भी काफी लोग आए हैं. Plus a lot of people are doing very well in their life. So I'm very happy. My assistants also shooting. They also come back to me.
That's good. Because if I have managed to get you the mentors in your life who made you what you are, the least you can do is do the same thing to others. You know, diya se diya jalta hai.
Diya se diya jalta hai. Ekdam perfect. So I really love when my estimates are competing with my assistant's estimate, and my assistant gets the job. So I'm really happy for that. Yeah. So ऐसे भी बहुत बार हुआ है. So it's great. It's a great feeling.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. And as I told, I did my Mumbai University advertising, and I was working in a advertising agency. So 60 days of pure torture. And my first camera was कि डैडी बोलते नौकरी मत छोड़ भाई, तू क्या करेगा, like it was like a picture होता है ना, like नौकरी छोड़ेगा तो करेगा क्या तू. It was like an actual movie for me. My cousin sister gave me a SLR camera. Then I joined Indian Institute, then later Girish's workshop. And later my big break was the second camera gift, which was given by my brother. So that just costed me 4,500 rupees, which had Pentax body and 3 lenses plus a flash. So that was a turning point of my career. So my brother spent almost half the salary behind my cameras and lenses. So I'm really indebted to him. Camera, that camera and lens I still have. So that was my turning point. And these are my photography masters. For Jaideep Oberoi, I learned product architecture industrial. Ian Pereira के नीचे में product food and industrial था. और उसके साथ में fashion and celebrity. And Tarun Vishwa off late fashion and fine art. आपके साथ I learned special effects आपसे because that was something really in vogue. I was really fascinated by that. I still remember that Ravina Tandon shoot. Projection, yeah. So awesome experiences. So yeah, my parents, my assistants were my dad and my mom. So whenever I used to stay in a one-room kitchen flat in Goregaon. So whenever any models used to shoot, and my mom used to hold my filters and क्या करते थे. My dad used to make stands. तो बोलते ना प्लास्टिक में डब्बा में हम लोग को सीमेंट डाल के हम लोग ने किया.
That's right.
So I still have that stands अभी भी. So and my
you should show to your assistants कि देख हम लोग इस तरह
ने इस तरह काम किया. Yes.
Yeah.
बल्ब लेके शूट.
Floodlights, you know this.
I still have that reflector.
है मेरे पास.
वो बल्ब है, बड़े बल्ब लगा के शूट करते
हैं. हाँ वही बताता हूँ उनको ये इसे स्टार्ट किया था.
So boom stand के लिए हम लोग को बांधते थे.
हम लोग ये करते थे.
Yeah. So now I think it's very simple. पहले तो कुछ था ही नहीं ऐसे. So and my mom and dad were humble assistants. In fact, I shoot a lot of celebrities also at my home. And my dad is just outside in the balcony, and my mom is to help. And those celebrities still remember my mom. कि तेरे घर में हम लोग आए थे, छोटा सा रूम है. So it's all good it's all fresh in my memories right now also. And my brother and my wife, they are my biggest critics. So कुछ भी shoot करूँगा, कुछ ना कुछ नुक्स निकालेंगे वो लोग. ऐसा करे वैसा करे. So it's like a good learning, yeah. So yeah, so took a break. I just took a break when I was assisting Farooq Chotia. That was the luckiest break. Then my father turned sick, and I was there to help him out. Then after that, my daddy he recovered, and later I joined back Farooq, and I practice photography with neighbors, friends. I did a lot of small time assignments with a lot of friends, relatives. Like काफी लोगों में publicity किया. Like photography कर रहा हूँ, कुछ है तो बताओ. I used to go to industrialist places. Because marketing also plays a big role.
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
मुझे खास करके बोलना है आज के सेशन में कि lot of photographers are fantastic photographers. All the pictures are there in the hard drive and the pen drive, but they don't market very well. So marketing is very, the people should know that you're a photographer, plus you come out with great quality work. So how do you market yourself? That's very important. So I market very well. I just take a lot of guidance from my brother. काफी लोगों को मिलता हूँ मैं and show my work to agencies. अभी भी मैं जाके मिलता हूँ मैं. So that's a great thing. Plus right now I'm just because all thanks to my wife. By right now I got my visa to USA. So I'm shooting across USA in Chicago, in California to start. Plus I stay in India and I go to Chicago, California like every 4-5 months. So I shoot in both the countries. So that's the way it's going right now.
That's good. That's really good.
So yeah, so I believe in visual storytelling. I like to tell stories. ऐसा नहीं कि like whenever any fashion shoots come to me or celebrity shoots come to me, me and the editor, we always have a proper story. Like we always look for a good location and we brief the entire story to the celebrity and we go via कैसे भी हम लोग shoot करते हैं.
So you
So
pre-plan the story.
Of course, I pre-plan the story. I scout the locations. We put a major effort to scout the location. Looking for a location is the biggest task. The makeup, hair, assistants, everything is good, but location मिलना सबसे tough होता है. So especially when it's a magazine shoot. So I thrive on locations. So anytime I always have 6 to 7 locations ready with me.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a great part. And I'm just sharing my experiences right now.
You shot a lot of celebrities also.
Yeah, this is for example Nawazuddin, which we shot in Arjun Khanna studio. And we wanted to tell a proper story. Like Nawaz का हम लोग को पूरा image पूरा change करना था because Nawaz as it is like a person was like a very, it's like I don't know 5'3", 5'4", 5'3" or 5'4" height guy, like very thin figure. We wanted to create a proper image, like a really classy image. So that is the reason we shot in a good location like Arjun Khanna studio. And Arjun Khanna is a big time designer. उसका studio है कोलाबा में. And even he's a big time fan of Nawazuddin. So that's the reason he gave us the location on a courtesy, and we shot him.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this is like as if he's entering inside. So this is the first picture of the story, as if he's coming inside. And he's shot with the proper daylight coming from outside, plus a fill from the camera right.
But those chairs look like barber chairs.
But yeah, so ऐसी उसका entry ऐसे. So plus there are huge mirrors on the right hand side which can't be seen in the frame. And it's a fantastic location. You should just visit that.
There is still a hum happening. I don't know how and where it's coming from.
I'm totally clueless.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
So you want me to? One second, let's try this. अभी कम हुआ?
हाँ.
मैंने नेटवर्क बंद कर दिया मेरा.
क्या?
मैंने मोबाइल का नेटवर्क बंद कर दिया.
Ah, okay.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Alright, there's an echo happening then. Okay, fine.
I think so. Fine. So this is a Nawaz का favorite shot. He's like a chimney. हमेशा smoke करते रहते. A very very basic simple shot in a 105 macro with a basic fill light. You can ask me questions in case you have anything.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So this is Manoj Bajpayee. Manoj Bajpayee, like आप Manoj Bajpayee को किधर भी खड़ा रख दो. He's a perfect person in post. Like वो किधर भी post कर देगा. He's a person of that type. So he bought a lot of props from a studio and we bought a lot of dry ice just to make it more dramatic. And we just gave him this knife and just it was like almost we shot this for 2 घंटे में हम लोग का shoot हो गया था. 2 या 3 घंटे में. We shot in Andheri. Fantastic. He's like a breeze. Very fast.
But he is a very versatile actor, basically.
But
when you shoot these guys, do they give you a rough time or are they quite cooperative?
See, what happens is like any celebrity who comes, so पहले से बोल देता है like मेरे पास 3 घंटा ही है, especially for a magazine shoot, because they don't get paid. They always say कि मेरे पास 2 घंटा या 3 घंटा या 4 घंटा ही shoot है. But it all depends upon the rapport you build. I've seen people like they say कि I just got 2 hours, but they stayed with me for 5 hours also. It all depends. That if in case you make them comfortable, if in case you have pally with them, if in case they're happy with the pictures, they are willing to experiment more. Like Manoj just said कि 2 घंटे के लिए shoot में है, but he was there for around 3.5 hours. He was seeing all the pictures in the laptop. So it all depends upon celebrity to celebrity. If in case they are
If
really
they're
busy,
enjoying the shoot, they're liking the images, I think they will give you the time. I'm
yeah,
quite fair with that.
and liking the images plus the studio ambience should be perfect. No major assistants over there. Like every assistant is like assigned a particular job, and we are making him treat like a king. If Manoj somebody from the crew goes downstairs,
Mm-hmm.
they escort him, they get him upstairs. But they also get like a lot of people also local public like India as it is like they are heavily driven by Bollywood. So कोई भी Bollywood का आदमी रहेगा तो like काफी लोग आ जाते हैं. Like
Oh,
मनोज को जब then people came to know कि Manoj is there shooting in an industrial estate. उसमें कम से कम 100-200 लोग तो जमा हो गए थे वहाँ पे. So it was like a tough thing.
yeah, I know.
That is a big challenge I face. Like
Mm-hmm.
Manoj is like a big time celebrity. So like everybody like words just spread throughout the industrial estate कि Manoj has come. And उन लोग को that is a big challenge which I face every day.
The first question has come in for you.
Yes, sir.
It's from Sagar. He says, how about post processing of your images? Do you use post colors or do you shoot with all gels or any other way?
These pictures,
No, black and white. I mean, he's talking about the previous one, which
talking
is
about the previous. Okay.
slightly on the sepia side. So,
These are there are no gels placed over here. Everything is post production. सब कुछ जो भी किया post production में किया हुआ है. No gels, nothing is used. कि gels use करेंगे then it's a problem in the post production. So in case we have proper raw images without any gels or filters, it's easier for the post production guy to process the images.
I see.
Sorry. Like this is my very काफी मेरे लिए memorable picture है. Like Govinda was the person who introduced me. This was an advent when I came in photography में जब आया था. I was like काफी film stars को मैं chase कर रहा था. But it was not easy for me. Like they were not shooting with me. But Govinda was the first person who said कि तू आजा मेरे साथ. And he made me my guest. And he made me travel. उसके साथ मैं उदयपुर गया था. He made me stay in a place called Lake Palace Hotel. Then he also made me travel in Hyderabad. So I was like a special member in the crew. He just told me to काम कर मेरे साथ आ जा तू and shoot only my pictures. And it was totally on his expenses. So he was shooting the film, and before the shoot and after the shoot or during the shoot, he used to call me, "Chal, let's shoot some pictures." At that time, Govinda was a big star.
That's
And
big star at that time. Yeah.
and I traveled with him a couple of destinations. So and he also introduced me to a lot of celebrities. He introduced me to Sonali Bendre. He introduced me to Jackie Shroff, Mahesh Manjrekar, Sanjay Dutt, Salman. Like Govinda, like a very gem of a person. Like काफी लोग उसने मिलाया, but that was the start of my career. So बोलते ना, I'm really indebted to Govinda. So I see to it कि every birthday में उसको मिलता हूँ मैं, and very nice and very humble guy.
True.
Sonali Bendre, yeah. So she also these pictures are coming Filmfare, Stardust. हेमा मालिनी का हम लोग ने शूट किया था, कोई मैगजीन के लिए शूट किया था हमने. She wanted some nice pictures for a catalog, so we shot in Worli. Nehru Center में हम लोग ने शूट किया था हमको. So I think one celebrity puts you to some other celebrity. That's the best part. Like Amitabh Bachchan के पीछे भी अच्छा story. Like we were trying to shoot Mr. Big B. Like the first time we were planning to shoot, then with Amitabh का उस दिन his dog turned unwell and his dog suddenly expired हो गया. So he was very much upset. So we couldn't shoot him on that day. This next week we were planning to shoot. Then Jia Khan, that she expired. She was very much dejected. So 15 days later we shot Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. But apparently Abhishek Bachchan was not free on that day. And वो दोनों का साथ में shoot था. अमिताभ के घर में shoot किया था हमने. We had called in his house. और संडे के दिन हम लोग ने उसके घर पे हम लोग ने शूट किया था. So अभिषेक बच्चन was apparently he was not there on that day. तो अभिषेक को हम लोग ने एक हफ्ते के बाद में we shot him in sun and sand. So we दोनों को photoshop किया. But everything is like well planned. Camera, lighting and photo retouch visualizer. Kirtan भी था मेरे साथ. He was there in most of my shoots. I think he's a faculty in QU Institute, right?
That's
photo retouch में, yeah. So he was there. So most of my shoots जहाँ पे Photoshop का involvement रहेगा, Kirtan sir is always there with me. So we plan the shots very well, especially the camera angles and lighting and everything. So Bachchan's picture was a big story, and this picture came as a cover.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Same Shikhar cover, Sanjeev Kapoor. So Sanjeev Kapoor ka we wanted to shoot him in his residence. So the PR was there. So Sanjay, we go through PR. So whenever it's an editor, the editor speaks to the PR, and the PR speaks to the personal manager, and it's like a particular system. Instead of me chasing a celebrity, it's like very tough. Starting में अगर chase करेंगे एक बार ठीक है, but if in case we have a proper PR, If in case we have a PR, the magazine PR speaks to them, or the journalist or the editor speaks to that to the celebrities manager, then it's very easier for us to shoot. Then after that, since last 3-4 years, like proper timing मिलता है, like हम लोग का, like Sanjeev Kapoor का हम लोग को almost like we shot him for 6 hours, so it was perfect. Like everything is systematic. उसके makeup man, hairstylist, fashion stylist.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever it's a magazine shoot, everything is perfect. Like I only have to concentrate in the photography part.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But do you spend time to build a rapport with the guys?
Yeah. Once I enter the shoot, once I meet the celebrity, I see the wardrobe. I put a lot of attention to the picture. I just speak to that person. उनको भी I try to show him what exactly we are looking for. I carry a lot of reference images with me. So even he also knows I'm very much what I'm looking for. Then that time he creates an impression about me. And he also come out with his suggestions. And it's like a discussion for 15-20 minutes. And in the meantime, my assistants are setting up the lights. So the basic lighting setup is like one softbox, one umbrella, everything is being set. So that time I speak continuous, I speak on celebrity, and they also understand, chalo bhai, sabko ye karna hai, ye karna hai. So it's like a talk. Like I normally try to meet a celebrity at least a day or two before. But kabhi kabhi nahi hota hai. But at least I try to be pally with the celebrities' assistants and makeup man and the spot boy. These people also create a big उन लोगों का भी काफी support बहुत important
in the whole place. So.
Of course, like Sanjeev Kapoor का makeup man, Sanjeev Kapoor का hairstylist, they also help me a lot. Like if spot boy, they also play a big role in this. Like they should not be deprived of attention. So सबको like equal attention is there. So it's like a team effort. So they also put that effort, and yeah. And Sanjeev Kapoor को मैं 3-4 बार shoot किया हुआ है, so he knows me very well. So it was like an easy thing for shoot him. And this guy is a professional guy. He doesn't waste time. Perfect, एकदम perfect पूरा काम इसका. A good host. I really love him.
Okay. There's a question that's come in for you.
Yes, sir.
From Niyati Shinde. As a storyteller, how do you decide the postures of the models? Okay. Do you intend to say something or just get the good cut, good shot?
What I do is, for example, this guy keeps on traveling, so that's the reason we kept all the suitcases, everything from his house, सब कुछ ready रखा था. We are showing as if he's coming in his home or leaving home. And what we do is, as a storyteller, we have a storyboard very much ready. So we tell the celebrity कि हम लोग को ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. And in case we are shooting 5 to 6 images, we have at least around 9 to 10 images as a backup, because celebrities are very finicky. Like they can always say कि मेरे को ये नहीं करना. So I should have a backup plan. So that way. But everything is pre-decided. क्या post करना है, क्या props use करना है. We take some pictures what we want, then we just ask him to shoot whatever you can do, whatever you shoot. Then by that time we get at least around 60 to 80 images. Then we choose whatever pictures is okay for the magazine and for that particular magazine feature.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means, so do you depend more on the storyboard or do you depend more on the mood board?
I depend a lot on my storyboard.
Okay, fine.
Very important.
That's a different take. Okay.
Yeah. And there are some features, they just want some fun pictures. Like if it's no story tha hi nahi hai. So Vinay Pathak was very keen to shoot in his home. And we were very keen to shoot in the studio, but he was not comfortable. So बोला हम लोग घर में करते हैं. In fact, he called me, उसने घर का pictures भी भेजा मुझे. And I arrived around 3 hours before and we saw the pictures and काफी अच्छा, very nice guy and very, yeah, he can give you any looks, like 25 different looks in a span of 10 seconds. He's so fast.
That's
a fun guy to work with. So these people are real great actors, and they are not comfortable to pose in front of a photography camera. Rajat Kapoor, the thinker, like this guy thinks a lot. He also writes a lot of movies, and he writes and he's a big time thinker. So we choose this restaurant called Shos somewhere in Lower Parel. So बुद्धा के बाद स्टैचू के बाद में हम लोग ने परफेक्ट शॉट उन्होंने प्लान किया था. फिर लाइट देके हम लोग ने शूट किया था. This picture was a hit. This was a starting picture, and we made it understand कि हम लोग ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं. It's also a challenge to make the celebrity understand. Like for example, I have seen a lot of celebrity they see के अरे इसमें तो बुद्धा दिख रहा है, मेरा शक्ल बहुत कम दिख रहा है. Then we have to make them understand कि हम लोग ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं. What celebrities want, they want the picture to be, they want to occupy the entire frame.
That's right.
But as a photographer, you have to make them understand कैसा क्यों करें. It's a thought behind this. But if in case you make them understand very well with a proper written thing, it becomes very easier for us. ये तो नहीं समझाएंगे तो लोग नहीं समझते. I know celebrities who had said कि तो भाई साहब तेरे पोर्टफोलियो के लिए मन मैं कहाँ दिख रहा हूँ ऐसा, ऐसे भी बोले मेरे को कुछ लोग. but you have to make them understand how is this particular picture different from a normal Stardust or a Filmfare picture.
Okay. You want to check your headphone maybe because it's still having the hum here.
I don't know.
It doesn't matter. It's not disturbing too much, so it's okay.
Okay.
No, it's increased.
What do you
Maybe the connector or something like that. But that's okay. You need that headphone. Let's see if you can do without the headphones.
Yeah, I need this. Yeah, काफी
You do.
जरूरी.
That's fair enough.
तो आवाज आपका भी नहीं आएगा मुझे.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, with his mic, that's what. The hum comes because of mic. Yeah, that's right. Because when I speak, the hum is coming in. It doesn't matter. You got two more questions. No, one more question coming in. Yes, sir. While shooting with a celebrity, do you think and make them pose with any references or just let them do their own thing?
As I told earlier, what I do is I just show them the pictures which I want. I'll if in case the celebrity is like very comfortable, if in case he's open, so what I do is I ask him to shoot according to his like will, like usko jo karna hai karne do. Then I just take him. By the time he's like warm, I just take some references which are just kept next, which are just outside the frame on the floor. So what I do is like uska like Rajat ke right hand side mein wo pictures niche rakhe hue zameen mein, so you can see that. So, or my assistant just keeps on holding it. So he also understands usko kya karna hai. So after that particular shot, I have whatever I want, and whatever he wants, he can also shoot. So this shot, the lighting setup करने को मुझे time गया था. For example, ये बाजू में जो दरवाजा दिख रहा है on the right hand side, उसके पीछे भी light है, just to create that illumination, just to create that depth. वो भी रखा है मैंने. Plus इसमें shoot करने के लिए मुझे मुश्किल से कुछ ना hardly around 5 minutes 6 minutes गया रहेगा shoot करने के लिए. But एक concept पूरा सोचने के लिए takes time. So shooting is just a small thing.
True.
Just you have to make them understand very well. That's very important.
Okay. Okay. There's one input has come in from one of our students. He says, okay, maybe because of the rains, earthing might be a problem, which is what might be creating the hum. So then that's something you cannot do about. So let's ignore and continue.
Yeah, it's raining heavily over here.
It's raining everywhere. Mumbai mein to sab jagah pe main bola na. I just hope it is raining nice and good at the catchment areas. This all water goes into the drain. That's an interesting shot of this guy.
A very interesting character. Plus, I shot also 2 catalogs with him. He referred me to 2 catalogs. I luckily got a chance to. If in case you are happy, in case the celebrities are happy with the pictures, if in case they are happy with the type of person you are, they'll keep on referring you. And when a celebrity refers a photographer's name to ad agency, then the photographer can charge whatever he wants. So that's the best part. So it's always good to be pally with a celebrity.
True.
And every celebrity has their favorite photographers. So that really works. That's what I.
This is something I'm realizing because even Dhruven and other people also said the same thing, that once you are recommended by the celebrity, they have no choice but to take you one part of it. They have to give you your rates.
And by the way it happens, agency guys ask the celebrity, by Amit sir, आपको कौन सा photographer चाहिए? Whom do you prefer? Like there are 5-6 photographers in the panel. They send their pictures, send their websites, and the celebrity जो बोला वही होता है. Even in case like the celebrity chooses the worst of the worst photographer, if in case he wants it, there is no person who can stop.
That's right.
That's the way it happens.
Who is this lady?
This lady is Urvashi Rotela. Like we were planning to shoot. This was the Mandate magazine के लिए हम लोग ना shoot था. We were planning to shoot in the studio, but me and the editor insisted we shoot in the location. So we haunted a couple of locations and finally we found a location, a dirty location in Madaland. हम लोग ने वहाँ पे shoot किया. यहाँ पे कुछ पंखे का ठिकाना नहीं था, AC नहीं था, कुछ भी नहीं था. थोड़ा cleanliness जरा drive करके हम लोग ने वहाँ पे shoot किया. But the pictures came out fantastic. And we didn't want a normal simple shoot कि studio में जाके shoot करो. This was like an effort. It was like a full day shoot. Plus he also had a couple of channels shooting this. Live चल रहा था वहाँ पे. So this was a great experience with her.
Interesting.
Shooting celebrity in dirty location, that's my forte. I like to shoot models in factories and warehouses. I always keep on looking for places. कहाँ पे मैं shoot करूँ? And the more the dirtier the locations, I really enjoy shooting over there.
If you remember, I had shared that idea to you. If you remember,
precisely.
because I used to like shooting in the middle of a petrol pump or a,
Yes.
you know,
I remember.
लक्कड़ खाना या कोयले की खान में या किधर भी.
और मैडम आई थी उसने बोला कहाँ पे लेके आए मेरे को ऐसे, एंड शी थॉट कि हमें वैनिटी वैन रहेगा, कुछ नहीं था, बट शी वाज कंफर्टेबल, वी शॉट, वी यूज अ मेकअप मैन, एवरीथिंग सब अच्छा हुआ शूटिंग. सो एंड ऑफ द पिक्चर्स केम आउट नाइस, सो एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड, इसमें इवनिंग सनलाइट भी गिर रहा है, सो लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स गए, फुल डे का शूट था, सो एवरी शॉट इज लाइक वेल प्लान्ड. दिस वाज द लास्ट शॉट, सो बाय द टाइम द सन वाज सेटिंग.
There's something very similar location, but it's on top of the national park पे ऊपर जो है ना घुम्मट.
अच्छा, बोरीवली वाला.
बोरीवली, you know.
Okay. बाप रे,
Okay, there's one more song, one more question has come in. It's come on Facebook from Rohan Gandhi. Okay, sir, mostly in such shoots there are lots of helpers in terms of art director, stylist, makeup artist, even spot dada, lighting man, and all. What hard work remains for photographer apart from setting up lighting, managing color tones, words on this, please? I can give him a very powerful answer, but it's your day.
I didn't get the question. It was a long sentence. I totally missed the question.
He says mostly in this kind of shoots, there are a lot of helpers in the terms of art directors, stylists, makeup artists, spot dada and all. What hard work remains for photographer apart from setting up lighting and managing color tones?
Okay. Yeah, of course, a lot of people definitely help it out. Yeah, a lot of people are always there. Whenever celebrity comes, like everybody is there to hold a thermocol for you. But yeah, I always see to it that my only assistants really take over. And every assistant is assigned a particular thing. Like एक assistant सिर्फ laptop देखेगा, focusing check करेगा. One assistant is only taking care of the main light. One assistant is only taking care of the fill light. So everything is assigned to assistants. Like एक दो assistant just backup रहेगा मेरा. So any fashion shoot is I have around 4 to 5 assistants or 6 assistants. Plus in every shoot I give a youngsters, I give a chance, like तुम लोग भी आओ सीखो, like एक दो assistants ऐसे लोग भी रहते हैं. So it's like a good karma I get. Like मैं काफी लोगों में नए entry भी देता हूँ. Like people learn and they also branch out. So I keep on changing my assistants also. It's a great experience for them to also to learn. And plus yeah, everybody helps. It's like a teamwork. That's what I feel.
True, teamwork is true, but the final bottom line is you are the ringmaster.
Precisely, you're the captain of the ship.
Who sees to it that all of them are working in on one page?
Yeah.
You know, and everybody is working hard to see to it that
I only concentrate on the I only concentrate on the creative aspect. Baki jo editor hai, he also keeps on seeing the pictures. So basically, our focus is only on the pictures. And everything is designed. Of course, advices देने वाले बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं बीच में. और celebrity के बाद उनके चमचे लोग भी रहते हैं.
चमचे लोग भी रहते हैं. Exactly.
So we have to take care. That's okay.
But it is finally the buck stops with you. You are the one
perfect.
Yeah. For the perfect shot, and not the team that is surrounding you.
Always, yeah. Once I realized
they are the helpers and all, but you are the one who takes the final call on how and when to shoot.
When to stop.
Coordinate the whole thing. Exactly.
Once I get my pictures, I don't keep on prolonging and ज़्यादा खींचता नहीं हूँ मैं. Once I get my shot, I just pack it. Like दूसरे ने we go for the next shot. It doesn't mean कि celebrity है तो shoot करते रहो. And I shoot very fast. So that's the reason a lot of magazine guys prefer me. Celebrity अगर 5 घंटे करेगा तो I see to 3 or 4 hours में हो जाता है. तो बाकी का 2 घंटा देके interview है. It's like easier for them. तो time ही नहीं मिलता उन लोगों को.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. This is the 3-Idiot guy, right?
This is the 3-Idiot guy, yeah, Sharman Joshi, yeah. So I used a filter.
What did you do? You use what?
I used that speed filter.
Speed filter.
Speed filter रख के मैंने shoot किया था, yeah.
But this didn't look like a proper blur for me, so it was a speed filter.
Yeah. Speed filter, yeah. Yash Birla, उसका favorite जगह है. हम लोग ने we shot in his terrace. He's a gym guy. So yeah, we went to the Birla house and we were supposed to shoot it around 10:30 in the morning, but sadly he woke up at around 2:30. So हम लोग तब तक रुके थे. This is a story behind it, and yeah, and he was very clear कि कोई भी आएगा, कोई भी celebrity, कोई भी hairstylist मेरा बाल touch नहीं करेगा. And he had his own hairstylist. Plus he was very clear like any makeup guy who comes, they will only use my products. He has his entire makeup kit, and shoot went on perfect. And we shot in his gym, we shot in his living room. Nice guy, spiritual guy. He does a lot of meditation and stuff. He also got me a couple of jobs. Very nice guy. Starting it takes time to crack the ball. Like it takes time. Once you're comfortable, then it's very easier.
which basically makes you a good people person.
Yeah,
Because the way you interact with them, it's good enough that they can actually offer you work from other clients and pass it on to you, which is pretty nice.
and
There's nothing
humility.
like word of mouth to increase your clientele.
And humility goes the long way, Girish. That's what I feel. The more humble you are, the more nicer
Always,
you are to people.
always.
So
You can't
these
do
things
that.
really
Yeah,
help. Yeah.
true. Agree.
This is Rajat Khandelwal. So हम लोग को जहाँ पे शूट करने का मौका दिया था, we shot this in a hotel called Southern Land. We were planning to shoot this entire picture in the lobby of the swimming pool, but as the luck came, like हम लोग को जगह नहीं मिला because it was booked by some other people, and it was booked by I think some other crew had booked that place. So we got a banquet room हम लोग को shoot करने का. So a photographer has to be ready, like how to make the pictures more better, like क्या करे, like a simple banquet room में how to make that celebrity. We can't replace that date because celebrity का वापस time नहीं मिलेगा हमको. So whatever things which are there in your, तुम्हारे हाथ में जो भी है उसमें तुमको proper shoot करना है. So ये हम लोग ने shoot उसके, we tried to put some gels and Photoshop में भी कीर्तन ने काफी enhance किया काफी सारी चीजें. We end of the day the shot should be perfect. We had a spotlight in front of him, like काफी हल्का सा fill दिया हमने. You can just make it under like simple सा banquet room में हम लोग ने shoot किया, वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. But how to make that shoot more interesting. It was like a 3 or 4 hours they gave. So it's a big challenge for the photographer. Like whatever location which is promised to you, you can't get it. Suddenly you are thrown in some other place. So you have to rewire your brain and you have to come up with something new, and you have to be fast. You can't just take time. So that way.
One more question's come for you.
Yeah.
Do you ever get upset at any of your shoots because of model or celebrity work?
I have a lot of ideas in my mind, but I get upset at times, but I never ever show in my face. This I learned from a person called Rafiq Sayyed. उसके साथ में एक दो.
Oh yeah, deadly character. Yes.
So I've assisted काफी सारे photographer को मैंने assist किया, like 2 shoots, 3 shoots, अशोक के साथ, सुरेश के साथ, like they used to call me for 1 or 2 shoots, but I've seen the way, even in case the bus is going, but they never show in front of the celebrity or the model. That's a very good question. Even in case you are tense, you should never show it to the person. Like ऐसा भी हुआ है, मैंने एक बार अमिताभ को शूट करा था, कैमरा में रोल ही नहीं था, but I can't show in front of him. क्या करे, हो गया. And I put a camera, के roll आगे नहीं गया था. A lot of things happen. These things are very. I was shooting black and white, फिर मालूम पड़ा कि उसमें transparency है. Transparency सोचे उसमें कुछ दूसरा कुछ निकला. Because at that time we used to have multiple bodies, right? You know, K1000 रखा, FM10 रखा, like 50 bodies, and you're shooting so fast. But never ever show the celebrity or the model की कुछ problem हुआ. You have to just make them understand you're doing good, you're doing perfect. And last में अगर इनके pictures अच्छा नहीं हुआ, worst of worst, you can always request the celebrity the next day. कुछ problem हो गया, if in case would you mind, can I shoot some pictures of yours? And कभी कोई मना नहीं करते. Yeah. Any other questions, Girish?
Yeah, Rajshekhar come up with one. He's another one who attends this quite regularly. He says, hello, Vinod sir. Did you always think of celebrity photography as your niche genre? Or is there any other genre you would like to call as backup and good at it? I think he's going to show you another couple of genres, but yeah.
I started with celebrity. There is fashion which is following this, plus why not? India is like majorly driven by Bollywood, cinema, politicians and religion. So मैं बोला Bollywood से चालू करूँ मैं. Fashion आ रहा है पीछे. This Veer Das we shot in Hard Rock Cafe.
But you shoot still life and all that stuff also.
Yeah. But off late there's no still life happening nowadays. It's only people. And at times there are some food shoots coming to me. So it's basically more of people, catalogs.
Yeah.
These type of shoots which are since last 3-4 years, this is the type of work I'm doing nowadays. After assisting Farooq and Tarun, this is the major flow. At times food shoots come, but these shoots are really appealing to me.
Okay.
Like the entire parivar of Mahesh, but it was very tough to organize everybody in a particular date. So every person is shot differently over here. Every person is shot differently. And Mahesh, Mukesh, Vishesh, Sony, Ratan, Alia, सब proper date लेके जितना से के light matching करके it was Photoshop later. To get this people's date is also not easy thing. It's a task. Like, this shoot went on for almost like 20 days. This was shot for a magazine called Society. ये पूरा अंदर का spread था पूरा, double spread था. They wanted everything in one frame.
I see.
And Mahesh Bhatt is a gem of a person, very nice. Ronit Roy, in case you like, he's Amitabh Bachchan of the television industry.
Hmm.
This guy thinks a lot. He's very much concerned about the pictures I shoot. So we mailed the pictures to him one day before. So this guy doesn't have any secretaries or assistants. It's like one-to-one basis. So I met him and I showed him the pictures, like made him visualize kaise karna hai. And every picture, whatever you ask him to do, he thinks at least for 5-10 minutes. Then he stands, poses, and he personally sees the pictures and he selects the pictures. So this celebrity is like very much concerned about his pictures and his image.
Hmm.
हर एक चीज एक एक बाल पे नोटिस करेगा, ध्यान देगा, कुछ रिटचिंग करने का तो वहाँ पे सर्कल करके दिखाएगा. So which is like appreciable. So he also takes that much of pain. It was almost like he was there with us throughout the day, and it was fun shooting him. But very much creative guy, very involved guy. That's what I like about him.
Mm-hmm. There's a question by Harshit. Was the bowler head bent in this? I doubt.
What?
इसकी पहले वाला जो पिक्चर है ना, कहाँ से bowler head यार? This is crazy.
What is?
No, this is not a bowler head. Harshit sees things. Okay, next.
Okay. We wanted to show him a picture यहाँ पे पूरा last shot of the day, like tired day, the entire day is over. And that time he's working throughout the day. We wanted to show image of that. The sun is setting and he's having a chilling, like nikal diya. We wanted to create that image. This took almost an hour to shoot, and just to make him understand, so we put some lights outside also. So just to create that evening light feel. A lot of thought goes behind images like this.
Who's this?
I forgot this guy's name. Yeah, very Ranvijay Singh. I think yeah, Ranvijay. I can't recap his name very well. I shot with him thrice. He's Vikramaditya Montavani. He's a big time director. So I used a tilt shift lens to shoot him.
I was wondering. Okay, fine.
So I tilt shift मैंने 4 shots के लिए लिया था मैंने. I bought it from US 85 tilt shift. So I saw a US like photographer देखा. He uses a tilt shift to shoot fashion. Like face को focus में करेगा, पीछे पैर को blur कर देगा. So I just create some drama in the image and shot this. But apart from this, I also shot around 85mm भी shoot किया था मैंने normal pictures. But the magazine guys like this picture since this is going blur, the wall is going slightly blur. They like the drama and they finally use this picture. So I keep on changing lenses also in the shot. Lighting भी change करते रहता हूँ. Like I tell my assistants by first 25-30 frames में ये lighting करेंगे, then you change the light. Then इसको बंद करेंगे, फिर यहाँ से main light देंगे. So this thing happens in the process. Like my assistant is like well versed क्या करना है, and he's always behind main light. Every time the model moves, the main light also keeps on moving according to that thing. So at time the main light is held by my assistant. वो कभी-कभी stand में भी नहीं रहता.
I know.
हम लोग. So that's very fast. For this, I made him stand in the ladies' toilet. और उसके left hand side में he is holding a small Nikon का छोटा सा flash होता है ना SP900. He was holding that flash, a portable flash. तो जगह ही सामान रखने को जगह नहीं था. So we shot this in the entire feature was shot in the tilt shift lens. That's the reason the legs are out of focus and the wall. Something different. Aftab. Before shooting a celebrity, everything should be ready. क्या करना है? Like me and my editor and my assistant, we always go one day before and we plan the shots. Or worst come worst, in case we don't go, at least we reach 2-3 hours before and we plan the shots. We take the pictures in the mobile. So everything referencing is done before the celebrity comes. So once the celebrity comes, there is no time pass. Like everything is fast. So we don't waste his time because we appreciate the time of the particular celebrity, and they are also busy people. So
yeah.
And whenever they're magazine coming for shoot for magazine, they're not being paid for anything. So we respect that time, and we see to it that they are free very soon. This place was a very small restaurant in Andheri, in Lokhandwala, and very small place. और उसमें shoot करना it was a challenge, but we use a particular we kept a small softbox lighting and just to make the images very appealing. We tried to create some drama over there. Ali Fazal. So this guy is a big famous, very big time influencer, a very famous guy in the youth में काफी famous है बंदा.
Interesting story. He emotes well too.
Yeah, perfect. He's a. In fact, I got around 10-15 good shots, but I just selected on 2-3 pictures. And he's a perfect. Like,
I'll have a lot of pictures, and if you have to see so many, then I'll have to make this a 2, 3, 4 hour thing.
so this is a very old picture. शोभा दे को हम लोग ने शूट किया था उनके घर पे. And it was a story for her. So we made her sit over there, and it was almost like a full day shoot. It was almost like a 10 or 15, 10 page article. We were supposed to shoot around 8 to 9 pictures. So Shobha, she said in the interview, I normally write in the nights. After only 10:30, 11, she likes to write. So we created this night feel. दिन में shoot किया था, but we wanted to create this night feel. So F11 या 16 में shoot किया रहेगा मैंने इसको, just to cut that ambient light. So ये सब ऐसा photography you have to keep on thinking like how to change, how to improvise, like how the lighting is not supportive, फिर भी हम लोग कैसे करेंगे हम लोग उसमें. So these things you should always keep on planning in the mind. Like Jackie Dada was a काफी इनका support रहा मेरे को. I shot him at least 3 to 4 times. He introduced me to Filmfare. He introduced me to Stardust. He is the person who introduced me to different magazines. So it's a nice thing when a celebrity endorses you to different magazines, and he used to give interview and he used to call me कि मेरा interview हो गया तो try to do the pictures together. You take your money, and it was that way. So very nice, very good gesture by this person. He also referred me to a couple of advertising brands. So that's also worked. So really indebted to this some people.
I have a personal experience with him, so I know he's a gem of a guy.
Very nice person.
I know him when he was very, very, very young. He should travel by bus.
Acha.
Okay. So I know him from that. You forget you're 40 years in the line now.
And he never forgets people. He always remembers everybody.
Never
forget you.
He came to inaugurate one of the Luxoculuses and looked at me and said, "Tere ko kya ho gaya?" He had seen me on my feet and suddenly he saw me first time.
Okay.
On a wheelchair.
But very nice guy. And I used to remember, like, I used to go to meet him in the Madalam, and I used to go by bus or I used to just pull a car or something. He used to always say, "Don't go, just wait. My shoot is getting over. I'll drop you home." So काफी था मुझे घर भी छोड़ा हुआ है. So good people, like good nice people, like.
Yeah, always. Quite a few are nice. There's a question from Rakshit Chauhan. I have seen movement in every picture. So do you plan to create such movements before shooting?
Movement in the sense?
Action shots.
Yeah, of course. Everything is planned here. So I have references with them. Like for example, this picture in front of you is also planned. The celebrity has jumped like this at least 20 times. So finally, हम लोग को ये picture मिला. So yeah, some moment or some momentum or some action is definitely desired, or else it becomes a very boring picture.
Absolutely.
So for any picture I have a moment, then I ask as a celebrity to do whatever you feel like. So there are 2 different permutations and combinations. So finally the editor who takes the call कि हमको क्या चाहिए.
There's a Chaitanya Kulkarni. He says, when you started out, how did you decide how much money you should get for your work?
How much money I should get for my work? I never thought about money, my dear friend. And I wish मैं कभी सोचा ही नहीं था पैसे के बारे में. I just thought I should just go for a good quality thing. And
money comes automatically.
Money का कभी मैंने सोचा नहीं था गिरीश भाई, कभी इतना नहीं सोचा था मैंने. But
I understand. But once you start the ball rolling, money comes automatically anyway.
Money and whatever if in case your pictures are nice, the agency guys or the magazine guys, they pay you well. For the magazine guys, like for the magazine shoots also, I know a lot of photographers. They say कि हम लोग को 10,000 भी मिलता नहीं for this. But these magazine shoots, I used to almost get around 30-35,000 rupees per day. It's almost like I'm shooting just for half a day. It all depends upon where the magazine guys regard you. Like they consider you as a cream photographer or okay photographer. So that way. So, but money was never a concern. Like ऐसा भी काफी सारे shoots हुआ है. Like the creative director or the art director says कि विनोद budget नहीं है, हम लोग कम में करते हैं. So I'm perfectly okay. But they always compensate me in some other shoot. So I don't go behind money thing. So money is just at the end of the day, picture should be coming nice, and that picture should come in my portfolio. That's my only take. That's the most important thing for me.
Yes, and it automatically comes in. I also realized that only that whenever, even when I was shooting at that time, and initially when we came in, it was very rough to justify the rate that we would charge or something. But once your picture started coming out in the market, and then they would only say, "हाँ sir, आपका तो इतना है ना, no problem." And you're wondering, you were ready to do it for half, but getting your money, why should I say no?
And there are some creative directors who say, अरे यार इतना कम क्यों चार्ज कर रहा है, ज्यादा चार्ज करना है, ऐसे भी होता है।
Exactly,
वैसे
exactly.
भी there are some good creative directors who say, काहे के लिए इतना कम कर रहा, कम तो बड़ा।
That is correct. That is correct. When the agency coordinator will call you up and says, "Okay, listen, you make a bill of so much rupees," and I say, "Boss, that's 2 times what I charge." He says, "Time you charge this one." Yes, okay.
So there are some people, यार ऐसा भी होता है कि जैसे कि अरे वो फोटोग्राफर इतना चार्ज कर, तू क्यों कम कर रहा है कर, ऐसे परफेक्ट क्या, चलो अच्छी बात है।
Exactly. That's some more of.
इसको रिसेंटली शूट किया हमने, पैशन पिक्चर्स,
Fashion shoots. So. किधर है?
लॉस एंजलिस।
Okay. I was wondering. Okay.
So it was like a story we created. इसमें around 7 images were there, creating a dramatic feel.
There's a lovely mood in it.
And any shoot requires fashion styling is the most important thing. So I normally give a lot of importance to fashion styling as well as hairstyling. Makeup to of course hai, but hairstyling and fashion styling is the most important thing. Plus that lighting and the mood you create. So that's a very important thing. That's a very prerequisite of a really fashion shoot. Mugdha Godse, like we were supposed to shoot this in a studio, but Mugdha and I realized कि हम लोग के काम करते हैं, we'll shoot in a location, but there is no intruders and there is no person over there. This was shot in a private bungalow in Mud Island. So वहाँ पे कोई भी लोग नहीं था, पूरा खाली था वहाँ पे. So she was also comfortable shooting over there. Or else like shooting bikini pictures outdoors is like very tough in India. It's also scary.
I know the whole crowd starts coming in.
So it's a big, तो ये private bungalow है किसी का. वहाँ पे there is no access over there. Only some gawalas or some women were there. That's perfectly fine. So even she was comfortable. So my main challenge was the lighting was there, everything was placed. So the shoot has to be happen very fast. Like if by the time she comes and stands over there, this shot wrapped around 10 to 12 minutes. So we can't waste time over there.
No, true. Acha, once before you go ahead in the pictures, Harshit is asking all these street fashion shots जो आपने पहले बताया ना, which
celebrity का के fashion का?
Fashion का.
Yes.
So the street shots are ये all these pictures are on a single street light. He's asking, did you use only a speed light or what did you use? Light.
Speed light is of course a light is used. Single speed light, yeah. One spotlight, one softbox.
That's it.
That's it. One light.
One light. Okay.
Any outdoor shots, I just shoot with one light.
Yeah, normally. Sagar is asking, what was your first portfolio all about?
First portfolio? First portfolio, I can't seriously recap. And yeah, but I came a hard way, Sagar. Yeah, it's a good question. I sincerely want to see the pictures which I think I have those pictures in my hard drive. But it was like a very basic shot. Like that was before assisting Farooq and Tarun. So my major work turned up after assisting them. पहले का shots काफी simple हुआ करता था. I used to never shoot pictures like this. So only after assisting over here with this big time photographers that then I learned the way to shoot. Like for example, this shot was shot around 12:30, 1 in the afternoon. But there is a beauty dish which is kept on the left hand side of the camera on an aperture of almost like f11, 11:16. So just to overpower the daylight, just to create some details in the beginning. So I realized after I assisted photographers. पहले का पहले के portfolio काफी basic, simple था. But that's the way a photographer keeps on evolving. Like, so you keep on shooting, then you realize where you come from, where you're going through. My speed is okay, right, Girish? Or you want?
Yeah. We have. Yeah. I think we're on the dot here. So. In any case, I think people are getting used to the fact that our webinar is a little tad overshoot the time, but nobody leaves.
Normally, till what time we are allowed to?
Logs in does not leave anyway. So we normally shut at about 7:30, 7:45 max.
Okay. Time. Yeah, the more the questions, I'm more happy.
In fact, you've broken all records for questions.
अच्छा, बहुत सवाल थे?
हाँ तो wholesale में.
Okay, I really like when people question.
Yes,
I would definitely want the young photographers to learn a lot. Like everybody can see
so many people are calling up and asking me questions.
Social media में सब लोग मेरे pictures देख सकते हैं, but they would like to make them understand what goes behind fashion.
True.
Like this is a bit like very basic fashion shoot in the studio, gray background, simple एक shot मारा है, ultra softbox use किया हुआ है, just a fill, there's a huge umbrella behind the camera, that's a fill, almost like 3 stops less, and that's it. Very simple, basic shots. And the best part about Farooq was whenever I used to assist Farooq, like it was like he used to give us all the authority to light it. He used to just call and he used to say, main light में ये लगाओ, fill light में ये करो, shoot everything, be ready with the Polaroid. So when I come, everything should be ready. So by the time he comes to the set, it is around 7 to 10 Polaroids are ready with the model. So he just sees the pictures, he just tweaks the lights here and there, and he starts shooting. So that's a great experience for assistant. They understand how to light a model. The same shoot, like kept the shot in the factory. With the smoke around, just to create some drama.
That's a huge tooling system there. Yeah, but this is the kind of thing which I like.
इसमें हम लोग ने
Active मारने का मजा आता है.
I like to use flares coming inside the camera. So I kept 1200 का light लगा के I created that flare. It comes just to create that drama. और इसमें तो photograph काफी simple हो गया. So I do without coffee, with that light, without this light, with only less fill light. I keep on having different combinations during a fashion shoot. It's not like it's only basically only one light or it's the same thing. काफी mood change करते हैं. So any shot which I shoot, at least there are three, 4 different lighting variations in that. That's what I like. ये काफी लोग अच्छा लगता है picture. A lot of people appreciate this. Shot in a very dirty location.
Regretting that they've been shooting like nutcases in a studio catalogs. Now they're feeling like ये तो आपने सीखा था मगर हमने नहीं किया. Regrets हो रहा है.
And
अरे तूने सही अभी आओ लाइन पे.
और रशियन मॉडल को हम लोग ने शूट किया वहाँ पे फैक्ट्री में कुछ काम ही नहीं, सब वर्कर्स लोग देख रहे थे इसको. तो ओनर ने बोला यार विनोद तेरे भरोसे कुछ काम ही नहीं हम लोग आज. So all the assistant, all the workers were having a great time over there. खाना पीना छोड़ के सब देख रहे थे, enjoying the shoot. तो काफी लोकेशन मिलने के लिए काफी कोई पॉलिटिशियन के थ्रू मुझे हेल्प मिला और वो they gave us the permission to shoot over there. So yeah, getting a location is always gives a kick to me. लोकेशन में ढूंढते रहता हूँ हमेशा मैं.
It's a lovely shot, yeah.
इसमें भी स्मोक काफी यूज किया हम लोग ने. The fashion styling is your let's go by the time the hairstyling, the props, everything, like we hardly do around 2 or 3 shots a day. And every shot styling करने के लिए हम लोग को कम से कम नहीं तो 3 घंटा जा रहा था. And it's like a heavy thing whatever she is wearing. Good for fashion styling. मेरे स्टूडियो के बाजू में कोई बिल्डिंग टूट रहा था, so I just took a chance. It was a Sunday, I just shot over there. उसके नेक्स्ट डे बिल्डिंग तोड़ दिया था, so shot over that location.
Okay, Rekha Bobade has asked a very technical question.
Okay, hi Rekha.
This is in artificial lighting. When we use strobe light or on or off camera flash, is there any way to increase the sync speed? Is there any way that I can get higher shutter speed like 1/500 of a second or so?
Of course.
Yes, you can get, my dear. Yes, you can get.
Of course, you can get it. Yeah. It's a.
Yes, you can get. You know, the current system which is very popular is using high-speed sync. But you will need the right kind of equipment. That means you might have to rent the brown colors or the pro photos or something like that.
You should use it.
Allow you to get the sync speed. You can shoot it at as fast as 8,000 of a second.
8,000, yeah, precisely. So that's a fantastic thing. Huh? That's a you can overpower the daylight.
You enjoy shooting with that. You know, and then you combine it with speed. It's super sharp also.
Yeah, and you can create a night effect of a picture like this.
Yeah. No, but then you're shooting at the kind of location which I should tell you people to shoot, which is what I like about these pictures.
Very dusty location. When I know whatever like lenses पे पूरा धूल लग जाता है, light पे धूल लग जाता है. You model at times turn sick. ऐसा problem challenges भी होते ही ऐसे shoots में, because it's a very dirty location. So
I love it. I love the location. The dirtier the better.
Dirtier the better. But it's a.
I used to shoot fashion inside a BST बस. उस जमाने में इतना गर्दी नहीं था और लफड़ा नहीं था. अभी तो कैमरा दिखाने के तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. वो तो अभी तो ऐसा लगता है कि बेचारे कंडक्टर को बाहर खड़ा करना पड़ेगा, इतना गंदा गर्दी रहता है. Okay, Rekha, I just say it again. The light you can use or rent is coming from a company called ProPhoto, PROFOTO. or Broncolor, BRONCOLOR?
I normally use a Broncolor. I hardly use Profoto, but only when I'm shooting in America, in California, in Chicago, I use a Profoto because they don't have a Broncolor over there.
Out
So
there, no. The highest the number of rental equipments worldwide is using Profoto.
Profoto, but in India, Broncolor is like very famous. So
Yeah.
Broncolor, but in
Been there for a
USA,
long time. Russ been there for a long time because of
in
that's another
UK,
student of mine,
yeah. So
Vihan.
Vihan Vasa, yeah.
Vihan
Actually,
Vasa is another student of mine
okay,
who,
okay.
instead of doing photography, took a decision of getting into marketing of equipment. He's doing terrific in that
He's
business.
doing fantastic. Yeah, he's the main person who's got this Broncolor over there.
Not only Braun, he brought Leica, he brought such a lot of stuff.
Fantastic. I know him. Yeah, I've been to his home also in Borivali.
Yeah. Okay, there's a question from Raj Shekhar Akinavale again. What if a creative or art director comes with you with a storyboard and you need to follow it?
I would
Do
love
you
to do
still
that.
plan? Do you still plan your storyboard if you have, or if you have to follow other storyboard, will it break your mood?
No ways, no ways, never. In fact, if in case the art director has a better story, I will definitely follow his story. If in case I have a better story, then at least I'll make him understand okay, what is better in my story. So it's like a discussion among us, and it's like a consensus, like whatever we both agree. Of course, I will agree to because it's like whenever a creative director is there in the sets, it's his story. Like it's very very important. So whatever he feels. So
Understand one thing.
it's like
Sorry, you were saying
at
something.
times I make him understand what is better. If in case he's not okay, if he wants that particular story, because he knows that particular brand very well, and I just follow him. That's perfectly okay. Or at times it happens like I just say कि तुम एक काम करते हैं, आर्ट डायरेक्टर साहब आपके हिसाब से भी शूट करते हैं, 2 दिन मेरे हिसाब से भी कर लो. Then we take a call.
Perfect. That's the
So
answer.
that
Yeah,
so
that's
this
the
we
answer.
need to talk to him. So they also are very happy. And
True.
photographer का काम ये थोड़ी है कि सिर्फ जाके बटन जाके दबाना है. You have to add some value to the shoot. So that time the creative director उसका भी ego को ठेस नहीं पहुंचता. और आपकी व्यूज अक्रॉस ही आल्सो फील्स कि चलो भाई ये फोटोग्राफर एफर्ट डाल रहा है एंड आई नो फोटोग्राफर्स सिर्फ जाके शूट करके निकल जाते हैं लाइक बिफोर द शूट डे से कि चलो भाई शूट कभी खत्म कर देते थिंक अबाउट दैट बट आई लाइक टू एक्सटेंड माय टाइम एंड 8 घंटे का 2 भी घंटा हुआ है आई एम ओके आई पे दैट एक्स्ट्रा मनी फ्रॉम माय पॉकेट
Absolutely.
ट्राई
No,
टू
absolutely. If the shot is worth it, you put in the effort you need to put in. And you know what? Some of these art directors, Rajshekhar, have a lot of experience, a
प्रिसाइसली
lot of creativity. So sometimes it is a lot of fun working
या
with them
ऑफ कोर्स
also. And while you're working
आई
with
मीन
them, like Vinod has said, you could even suggest that यार इसके साथ अगर मैं एक दो try करूँ दिख कर लो मतलब is it acceptable? Most likely, if you work with the guy, he'll never say no because he knows that you are also not just a topographer, you're a proper, photographer.
forget art director. I also seen like film actors. They also understand what is a main light and everything. I've seen Mugdha Godse बोलती है मेरे को main light क्या ये कि ये that he also understands. And Jackie Shroff, for instance, like I shooting Jackie once, like he saw a particular light, he saw a baby light, that's a film light was happening from there. काम करते वहां जाके shoot होते light मस्त गिरता है. So he made me take over there. सब उसका ही दिमाग था. मेरा कुछ ऐसा photographer मेरा कुछ input नहीं था. He took me over there. He says कि विरोध में यहाँ खड़ा था तो मैं ऐसे shoot कर देता. It's a fantastic picture. So even this film stars, they also have a
A
fantastic
lot of experience. They have a lot
solid
of
experience. I really appreciate that.
That's lovely. You love low-key lighting, I see.
I just love it.
Mm.
The more the drama,
That's something that we are Shari's expert at. Lovely.
in USA में आप shoot करोगे वहाँ पे you get fantastic backgrounds. And USA में कुछ problem रहा ही नहीं है. I had taken my tripod, मैं में जाके light लगा के भी shoot कर there is no cops who is catching me. अभी तक तो मुझे पकड़ा नहीं है touch point. And I would take a model to the beach. I carried the lights, no assistance with me. वहाँ पे कभी कोई ये नहीं कुछ permissions का मुझे कभी problem. It's like a very photography savvy country. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
I think
You won't get a crowd if you got a girl in
no
bikini.
crowd, nobody's bothered. Even if you're shooting a girl with a bikini, people aren't bothered. Even the cops, they come, they don't. They'll say hi, how are you? You're doing good. They'll just shake a hand and just go.
That's right.
नहीं मुंबई के पुलिस जैसा नहीं है वहाँ पे. So I just love shooting over there. So I carry my lights, I carry my instant lights, the battery pack lights. I go to the beach. I stay in Orange County. So वहाँ पे जाने it's like fun shooting over there. वहाँ पे कुछ तकलीफ नहीं है.
That is right. That is right. Okay, Sagar was asking you, would like to know lighting techniques for the last shot. Last shot मतलब जो था ना वो PUBG से
ये
no
वाला.
one back. हाँ, these ones.
Yeah, just one grid light used on the model. That's it.
That's
One
it.
light, no nothing.
The rest is ambient, yeah, Sagar.
So I think after some time you should also understand Sagar के it's like very easy to make like most of my pictures are only with one or two lights. दो लाइट के ऊपर कभी गया नहीं मैं. हाँ कट लाइट चाहिए या कोई एक्स्ट्रा फिल बढ़ाना है that's a different part. Not necessary. इसमें भी देखो ना one beauty dish with a great shot with a fill behind my camera. That's it. Plus just to get the texture I had a softbox from the camera left. So very basic and simple lighting, nothing major. So I think simplicity is the essence of beauty. That's what I feel.
Ambience is controlled on camera or others or other.
Yes, I shoot it in a slow shutter speed.
That's right.
Yeah.
Simple but nice. A little like a little catalog thing, but nice.
These are very simple shots. Like ऐसा करो जल्दी उड़ा के लिए. This is like because model is busy, the stylist is busy. This is like almost like a 7 or 6 hour shoot. And after experience, you get the used to that light. Like it's like very easy to understand the way the light is falling. So
True.
the always main light is always the beauty dish or a softbox. So these are the main things for me. And my fill is almost like 2-stop or 3-stop less.
Again, nice.
And this gown was almost like around 12 feet gown. लंबा जा रहा था. So I just cropped it over here. It was like a tricky thing to make this model stand over there. We had created a big ladder and to stand. She was getting on it. It was like a fast shoot, like, but good. She supported very well. She was almost standing at around 14, 15 feet high.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of detailing goes as well as stylist is considered. Uske hair mein and headgear and stuff. A lot of at least around 100 pins which are there in her head. But end of the day, it's a great shoot. Even this is shot in a drill shift lens. It was shot in a press called Magna Press in Kandivali. I think you must be knowing this, Girish. Magna Publications है ना, नारीदा का. उसका publication उसके office में shoot किया था हमने. Sunday को shoot किया था.
I also shoot a lot with all these guys when I had just come down from the States.
अच्छा.
Then Filmland was not my cup of tea at that time. So I preferred to do something different. I think your body shots are coming in now. Fine art stuff coming in. This you did it for a client or you did it for yourself?
This is my personal shoot. This is shot in US. Yeah, over there. So whenever I go to US, before going to US, I go to Model M site and I publicize like an Indian photographer coming over there. If in case there are any good models who would like to shoot with me, I'm there to build my personal portfolio. And I shoot over there also. So a lot of models approach me. It's like a collaboration business. And makeup and everything is managed. And we shoot these pictures, hiring a studio and stuff. It's very easy to shoot in US. Like everything is like very organized and very systematic over there. This fashion story was shot in a Parsi bungalow, and it was like all the pictures had the same feel. And we had a good Brazilian model who we shot with her, a good fashion stylist. It was shot in a place in Kemp's Corner. वो पारसी सैनिटोरियम के सामने उनका घर है.
सैनिटोरियम के सामने. अच्छा. because पारसी सैनिटोरियम वो एक जमाने में था for fashion.
But now they are stopped. अभी देते नहीं वो लोग.
Our guys went and did a lot of mass, and plus I think the place was under litigation or something like that.
Okay. But it was a fantastic place to shoot.
Oh yeah, fantastic, absolutely fantastic place to shoot.
This is bank opposite Fantastic. वहाँ पे ही है. I like to play with the hair of the model, like make it messy. जितना उसके mess करके we shoot. Every shot is well planned. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. Then Buddha was kept next to her. I think a lot about the images, how to like that messy hair with that Takla Buddha, just
Hmm.
to drive some metaphor. This is shot in US. ये लॉस एंजलिस में लॉन्ग बीच करके वहाँ पे शूट किया था. Okay, I took a light and shot. No disturbance, nothing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In fact, there were cops also who came over there also. And they used to say, "Arey, kaisa, how is the shoot going? You're doing good? Yeah, doing good. Yeah, you got a great model. And you got a great camera. Yes, sir. You got a great camera. Have a good time." So बोल के चले जाते cops. So
That-
cops are very supporting over there. Cops never intrude in.
In fact, if they see anybody making any issues out there, they'll come quickly and surround you and say, "Out, you guys." Yeah, so they are supportive. They are not like
They're very supportive. They're very
not
supportive.
like in this place. Yeah.
And there's no bribery. Nothing is over there. They're very clear.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay. That's a very typical beach shot. So these you shoot for yourself.
This is for my personal work here. A lot of commercial shot I was shot over there, but I not kept it over here. Those are all basic, very simple shots.
Yeah, because out there they don't go crazy like India.
And the beaches over there are totally empty. There is no Belpuri wala, Sevpuri wala guy standing over there. It's totally empty.
Mm.
It's very nice. A lot of photographers shoot over there. A lot of people come to surf over there. So surfing is a big thing over there. So it's a nice location. So this is like a totally composite shot. The bulb is shot separately, the wall is shot separately, the foreground is shot separately, the model is separate. Plus a lot of hair is added to her. So this is totally the image which I and which me and Kirtan had just thought about this image, and we had this image shot. So I wanted to create this surreal image. It's all a full of composite shot. Brooke Sheldon का अगर आप काम देखोगे ऐसे ही she shoots a lot something like this.
I know.
A woman walking in the wall and stuff. So I'm really inspired by her.
Yeah.
So normally what I do is like after every commercial shoot, in case I am pally with the model, I ask her to shoot some one shot or two shot extra in case she's okay and the client is okay. So that is my style. Like every time I have a commercial shoot, I see to it like at least one or two pictures come in the personal portfolio. So this is after a fashion shoot which is done. And
That keeps on increasing your portfolio, no?
yeah, so that way.
Keep updating, yeah, keep on
That's
updating.
a great media, which I think I would advise every photographer to do that. Just every day, when any commercial shoot, you should have some extra pictures in your portfolio. For example, even this was for a Surat catalog shoot. This was a nice thing. So I just made the model stand and it was totally, even this is like composite shot, which we tried to fix later. So there was a story, this was a storyboard which was given to me by the creative director. So in which they wanted to show a kid who was looking for a dead mother. So we just thought of this image and I shot the girl separate, the model separate, and this background, this task was shot in Chicago. And everything was as if she's speaking to the spirit of that model, the spirit of the mother. So as if वो लड़की उसके आत्मा से बात कर रही है. So we thought a lot and finally we came to this thing and this was published in the magazine. And काफी सोचना पड़ता है like how to think, what to get and just to create that particular story.
ये तो बराबर है because these are not random shots which you took for fun or something like that. तो सोच समझ के मानना तो पड़ता है.
Plus you have to ask 25 people कि how do you
story बनानी है तो फिर you have to make a, you know.
Yeah, you have to think a lot. And एक story बनाने के लिए कभी-कभी एक महीना भी निकल जाता है. 15 दिन के लिए. It takes a lot of time to think.
जो लोग देख रहे हैं उनको हिंदी में कोई सवाल पूछना है तो बेझिझक पूछिए.
पूछिए.
So we will answer you in Hindi.
Yes. मुझे वापस दो मैसेज आए.
कोई भी पिक्चर पे आपका दिमाग कुछ नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछिए आप.
जरूर. For this, I asked the model to jump. नीचे तारपुल रखा था हम लोगों ने. She had jumped at least on 50 to 60 shots. This was the perfect shot which came finally. It was a perfect freeze.
मॉडल ने ट्रैम्पोलिन पे से जंप मार के शॉट
जंप
लिया.
मार के, yes yes. तो ऐसे ही जंप मारेंगे ना. So yeah, I was shooting from low. I was shooting on a 80, not 85, I think 2480 ऐसे में कुछ शूट कर रहा था मैं. 2470. Very flexible role.
That is true.
Very old shot of फिल्म में शूट किया था इसको. 120 mm में शूट किया था. 2 spotlights तो kept. काफी इसके लिए टाइम जाता. Very almost like around 15-18 years old picture. Still I'm very happy with this picture. I still am keeping this in my portfolio.
40 साल पुरानी पिक्चर तो मैंने 60 का बल्ब शूट किया था.
अरे वाह. 60 का बल्ब.
60 का बल्ब था ना.
यस यस.
वो दो टाइप के आते थे. एक नॉर्मल क्लियर होता था, दूसरा मिल्की आता था.
अच्छा. ओके.
So you could do a little bit of difference in lighting, but finally point light shows तो हार्ड ही रहता था.
हार्ड ही रहता है, yeah. And this was shot with a spot, snoot. 2 snoots were placed. This is like a Negro who speaks actual Gujarati. Uska there's a place somewhere in Gujarat. This is full of Negroes, but they speak Gujarati.
That's right.
So, I don't know. I forgot the place name, so I was very happy. So I made उसको शक्ल में oil लगाया.
Famous.
This guy is a local guy. Local
famous है. It's quite famous.
Yeah.
I think अफ्रीका से import किए थे इनको.
I don't know.
And they were allowed to stay. उनको वहाँ पे रहने के लिए इजाजत मिली थी from the king. And then they lived there. उन्होंने यहीं पे settle हुए हैं. उनका Indian citizen अफ्रीका से है, मगर यहाँ पे ये गुजराती fluent बोलते हैं. Not only गुजराती fluent बोलते हैं, गुजराती के जैसे behave करते हैं.
Yeah, and they have proper Gujarati food and they speak Gujarati very well.
That's right.
Very nice guy. This guy is a local cable guy.
अनवर थाना वाला बोलते हैं उनको. They are called Siddhis.
Siddhis, okay. Siddhis. Thank you, Anwar bhai.
प्लीज इसको हिंदी में पूछना है, पूछ लीजिए प्लीज. So these are all your own stuff.
All my personal stuff. Most, I think all the pictures of all my personal stuff.
मुझे क्लाइंट के लिए नहीं है.
ना कोई क्लाइंट के लिए. मेरा शॉट से. There's no major Photoshop. कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ involvement नहीं. Just light वहाँ से प्लेस किया, सामने से fill दिए. Just to make it more dramatic. इसलिए Rembrandt lighting, that is उसके nose के यहाँ पे जो आ रहा है light. तो आपसे सीखा है सर गिरीश भाई आपसे. Rembrandt lighting and stuff. I still remember. वो बेसिक्स आपने इतने दिमाग में इतना घुसा दिया तो आई थिंक इट्स सो सेट करने के लिए इट्स लाइक हार्डली इट टेक्स. और अमेरिकन भी सोचते हैं भाई इतना जल्दी कैसे फिट कर दे तुम वहाँ कैसे बोलते. सो ओवर इन अमेरिका के फोटोग्राफर्स भी दे आर, उन लोग का बेसिक तो स्ट्रांग नहीं होते. दे कीप ऑन उंगली करते रहते ऐसे. बट इंडियन फोटोग्राफर्स आर फुल ऑफ जुगाड़. दे नो टू डू थिंग्स फास्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाट दे आल्सो अप्रिशिएट. दैट्स द रीजन अमेरिका हैज अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियंस ओवर देयर.
We had one of our students, हमारे एक तरुण करके है.
Okay.
नहीं, वरुण करके है.
वरुण.
वरुण who does a lot of industrial photography and all that kind of stuff. So he got a chance to go abroad. The company ने बोला कि चल तू इतना अच्छा शूट करता, थोड़ा और सीख के आ. तो जाके आया. उसके बाद आके मैंने पूछा वरुण what did you learn? उनका स्टाइल बता मेरे को तो अपने को भी समझ में आवे. बोला कुछ नहीं, मैं जाके सिखा के आया.
सीरियसली ऐसे ही होता है मेरे साथ भी. वहाँ के फोटोग्राफर सम पीपल आर वेरी गुड. बाकी कुछ बीच के लोगों को जाता ही नहीं वहाँ पे. आई टोटली एग्री दैट. वो लोग काफी लोग उतना दे डोंट नो. एवरीथिंग इज रेडीमेड फॉर देम. जरा भी कुछ मिक्स कर देंगे ना इधर उधर तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. तो दिस इज द लास्ट सेक्शन व्हिच आई एम कमिंग थ्रू. मैंने मेरे लाइफ में बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स किए हैं, बहुत सारी गलतियां की है मेरे लाइफ में. आई थिंक मैं 50% पिक्चर्स खराब ही शूट किया रहेगा मेरे. बट अ फोटोग्राफर शुड नो व्हाट इज अ गुड पिक्चर एंड व्हाट इज अ रॉन्ग पिक्चर और व्हाट इज अ बैड पिक्चर. ही शुड बी वेरी क्लियर कि कौन सा पिक्चर मेरे पोर्टफोलियो में रखना है, कौन सा पिक्चर नहीं रखना है. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
बराबर है.
So a lot of photographers don't understand क्या पोर्टफोलियो में रखना है. So that's once they keep on seeing the images. So इसलिए मैंने कुछ क्लासिफिकेशन किया for the young photographers over here who are seeing this. Like what should happen before the shoot, what should happen during the shoot, and what should happen after the shoot. So basic mannerism बोलते हैं ना, which is very much lacking in India. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये सामने वाले को अगर ये मिलेगा तो काफी अच्छा है. So I'm allowing everybody to please take screenshots. आप लोगों को बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगा. So this is very important. This is totally about out of my experience. कुछ गलत रहेगा तो मुझे माफ कर देना, but this is what I feel. So whenever before the pre-shoot, I always visit the studio in advance. पहले से मैं देख लेता हूँ स्टूडियो कितना बड़ा है, छोटा है. I see to it कि whenever I am shooting a woman or a lady or a aged person or a model, I try to see the studio जहाँ पे cleanliness हो. बाथरूम टॉयलेट काफी अच्छा होना चाहिए. क्लीनलीनेस फ्रीक होना काफी अच्छी बात है. बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे सेलिब्रिटी और द मॉडल इररेस्पेक्टिव, उन लोग का घर गंदा रहेगा मगर दे वांट द स्टूडियो टू बी क्लीन. अगर क्लीन नहीं होगा तो आई आस्क माय असिस्टेंट, आई माई सेल्फ क्लीन द स्टूडियो, आई माई सेल्फ क्लीन द बाथरूम्स आल्सो. सो क्लीनलीनेस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई बिफोर गोइंग टू द शूट आई ऑलवेज गो थ्रू स्टाइलिस्ट के क्या क्या चाहिए मेरे को. लाइट्स चाहिए, प्रॉप्स, बैकग्राउंड, हार्ड ड्राइव, ये सब मेरे बैग में रहना बहुत जरूरी है. और अगर इनकेस अगर लाइट्स अगर कैमरा मुझे हायर करना है तो हायर कर लूंगा. बट आई ऑलवेज हायर अ कैमरा इन विच आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद. Like I'm a Nikon guy, so I will never hire a Canon camera or जिसमें Sony camera जिसमें मेरे comfortable factor नहीं है. And before any shoot, my every assistant or every person is clear cut उसको assign कर बोल दिया कि तुम लोग को तुम्हारा role क्या है. So don't carry. I don't like to carry my friends and spectators in the shoot. Like a lot of काफी time ऐसा भी होता है.
Always, never to do.
That's a stupidity thing. Like कोई लोग बोलते हैं भाई मैं इसका fan हूँ, उसका fan हूँ. Even in case somebody is coming, they are assigned a role. ऐसे है कि खड़ा नहीं रहना है, कुछ तो काम करना है तुमको. So it's like a very professional atmosphere. And अगर मैं जितना हो सके I'll see to it कि I don't ask anybody to eat or drink in the studio. स्टूडियो के बाहर जाके करो कि स्टूडियो में गंदा stench आ जाता है. And out in case अगर shooting outdoors कर रहे हैं, like in case especially shooting in American places जहाँ पे suddenly कभी भी कुछ भी changes हो जाता है. I see the weather report of that day, how is it like, and जितना हो सके permissions लेके shoot करता हूँ, especially in India, और time limits में करता हूँ मैं, just to avoid any trouble. Especially if you're shooting in places like BKC and everything, if in case you have अगर कुछ permission ले लिया तो nothing like it. Or else you have to be very smart, you have to be street smart, and you have to do it very fast instead of getting caught over there. And I have a clear idea about what you want to shoot. And सब कुछ before the shoot, every references is kept in the pinboard. कुछ time waste नहीं होता. So before the art director or because art director या creative director जब भी वो लोग shoot करते हैं, उन लोग के लिए it's like a picnic for them. तो पूरा का पूरा ओनर्स फोटोग्राफर भी होता है. So every references, everything, सबका A4 साइज का प्रिंट मार के सब कुछ रेडी हो जाता है. एंड मेकअप मैन, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट, सबको क्लियर कट बोल दिया जाता है कि क्या हेयर स्टाइलिंग, फर्स्ट क्या शॉट है, सेकंड क्या शॉट है. सो देयर इज नो टाइम वेस्ट बिकॉज इट्स हार्डली वी गेट अराउंड 7 to 8 hours to shoot. So there is no time to do some experiments. So we go to Pinterest, we create a mood board. So it's very easier for us. So the best part is I also like to encourage assistants. Like मैं assistants को भी involve करता हूँ. जिस तरह आप involve करते थे, used to always seek assistants को, you have to come up with ideas. मैंने आपसे सीखा हुआ है. So I always ask assistants to be involved in the creative process. कि assistants are not like कि पियोन लोग नहीं है कि side में खड़े. So assistants also come out with great ideas.
Absolutely.
So after time they are not my slave or a servant. I totally like I appreciate my assistant to come out with ideas. If in case they have some good ideas. काफी time ऐसा हुआ कि मेरा idea is like very much love my assistants के idea काफी अच्छे रहते. They also know to pose the model. They make them understand. It's like easier for them. It's like a team effort. और time slot clear cut design होता है. Breakfast का time, lunch, snacking, dinner. So I'm very liberal with this. A lot of models like to smoke. They go outside and smoke. And a lot of film stars, they like to take a lot of different things. वो लोग makeup room में जाके they smoke that grass and everything. I'm totally comfortable. Do whatever you want in the room. And उन लोगों को काफी मैं break देता हूँ मैं चाय कॉफी का. And of course like good music रहेगा. Like everyone is happy in a relaxed mood. Like मैं वैसे कुछ सुनाऊंगा. So it doesn't look nice. So it's like a relaxed atmosphere in the sets. So that's very very important for me before the shoot. And during the shoot, I'm always like before the time the model is coming. In case I don't know the model, I try to be friendly with that particular model. I try to be nice with her. I don't get nasty or I act fresh with them. So I'm very nice to them. In case they are comfortable, it shows in the pictures. So I try to see to it. At least I speak to the model. Yeah, I speak to the model 1 day before or 2 days before. So we have chats in WhatsApp. So at least she's comfortable with me. ऐसा नहीं कि suddenly कोई आ जाएगा. And the most important thing is like shoot में कभी भी मेरे assistants को आना है तो पहले ही आना है या लास्ट में आना है. बीच में किसी को अलाउ नहीं करता हूँ. There are a lot of assistants who say कि मैं काम कर दूँ, मैं 2 बजे आता हूँ, 3 बजे. I don't like that way. तुमको आना है तो सुबह 9 बजे आना है, ये तो don't come. So I make it very clear. So that's it. The model is also not comfortable कि suddenly इसको लगेगा ये और आ गया. So these things really I've seen that with experiences. So in case your assistant wants to get involved, you have to be right from the packing thing. इस स्टूडियो में आने तक he has to be involved in that entire procedure.
बराबर है. You are the boss. That's your rules work.
So everyone's because हमारे काम में क्या होता है, सबसे स्टार्टिंग में काम इंपॉर्टेंट जाता है, just to get the photography stuff. स्टार्टिंग में लाइट सेटअप करना, that is my main role of assistant. So in case the assistants come late, doesn't make sense for me. So everyone's responsibility is given. Like main light के पीछे कौन रहेगा, who is taking the laptop, who is backing up the images को backup कौन कर रहा है, who is taking the focus. Everything is designed, everything is assigned to everybody. Nobody knows other person involved in some other jobs. And if in case I'm not happy with the way the shoot is going, then the model is not going not good, or fashion styling is the stylist का काम बराबर नहीं हो रहा है. But I just whenever in case I want to criticize or in case I want to improvise the shot, I take them in the side and I just tell them. I never tell the model in front of 20 people. So that really discourages the model or the makeup man or the hairstylist or the assistant. I suggest new things, but उन लोगों को साइड में जाके बात करता हूँ. हम लोग यानी सबके सामने में किसी को इंसल्ट नहीं करता.
ये तो सही है.
That's very very important. Like I've seen a lot of photographers.
एक बार मूड गया पूरा स्टूडियो में तो खत्म हो जाता
तो
है.
खत्म हो गया. Like end of the day, it's my personal loss. और बोलते हैं ना गिरीश भाई 8 घंटे का खेल है. 8 घंटे में you have to come out with fantastic images. So we have to make it. कुछ गलत भी होता रहेगा तो we have to show ऐसे सब अच्छा हो रहा है, सब अच्छा हो रहा है.
Exactly.
All is well बोलते हैं ना, जिस तरह आमिर खान ने बोला. I just follow that. It's very very important. If the client or the creative person they said gives the inputs, like client और काफी सारे clients रहते हैं, they also try to come out with a lot of people just to show that importance. They want to share something, like especially catalog shoots में होता है. They try to trust the model, so you have to be nice to them. ऐसा मत करो आप बोलो मैं करता हूँ इसे. In such a way the client is also not hurt, the agency is not hurt. Just to find a proper way. Like I'm open to suggestions also. And because it's their baby and they know the product very well.
Good what you're sharing.
Because end of the day it's the client's baby. अगर creative director ने कुछ thought सोचा है उसको मैं side में कर दिया, that's very wrong from my side. So they know the product very well, they know the brand very well, so I should respect their inputs. And my photography is not there to win an award, it's basically to sell that particular product. So it's very important. If you want to say click some pictures of, because this is my desire, I like to shoot a lot of pictures after the job is done for my personal portfolio. For that I always ask the model agency, because normally आजकल models के agencies होते हैं, तो model agency का permission हुआ, model ने हाँ बोला, client is okay, the crew is okay, तो ही मैं shoot करता हूँ. मैं shoot भी नहीं करता हूँ. कभी-कभी क्या होता है, model थक जाती है, she is कि नहीं I'm tired, ठीक है.
Yeah, I know.
मैं request करता हूँ, in case she can spare around 5-10 minutes, these pictures will be good for you as well as for me. And the best, very important thing, you should always back up. Backing up is very very important. I used to back up in 2 hard drives, so अभी recently मैं 3 hard drives में backup करता हूँ. तो शूट होने के बाद ही I back up in 2 hard drives. So the 2 hard drives are kept in 2 different places. कैमरा बैग में रहता नहीं है. So backing up, और घर में आके और एक थर्ड बैकअप होता है जो मेरे स्टूडियो में भी होता है. So 3 backups are always important. Like you never know, technology can be unpredictable. कुछ भी हो सकता है. So backing up raw images is very important. And a personal thanks to everyone on the set. Whenever I used to see Aishwarya shooting, like Aishwarya or Amitabh Bachchan को देखा हुआ है. After the shoot, they always thank everybody. Before Aishwarya leaves the shoot, she say a big thanks to everybody. That appeals to the lighting guy, the spot guy. She says thanks. उससे मैं सीखा. And I always thank everybody after the set, after the shoot, like set पे सब कुछ. The spot boy also is important over here. A lot of people don't उसको regard नहीं करते spot boy को या lighting को या assistants को या makeup man. Everybody gives a thanks. सबको we need a thanks for that. It's a.
If you develop a relationship with them, they
very important.
With you, they do a brilliant job with you.
And मेरे जो maximum मेरे celebrity को shoot किया, it's only the makeup man ने मुझे help किया हुआ है या spot boy ने मुझे help किया हुआ है. Like अर्जुन रामपाल का spot boy ने मुझे help किया उसको reach करने के लिए. मनोज बाजपेयी का hair stylist ने मुझे help किया. So these people play a big role to touch the celebrity. So that's what I realized. I was supposed to shoot Sushant Singh Rajput. बेचारा उसका तो ऐसा problem हो गया, and उसका makeup man मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है. So he was putting it to him. So it's always through somebody you get connected to the particular star. So you have to thank everybody. So ensure that someone from the crew escorts the client. Even in a US में सीखा कि in case any model is coming or the makeup or the celebrities का, I see to it that I myself or somebody from my senior from my crew, they escort that particular model to her car. I just don't leave from the city or चले जाओ ऐसा नहीं होता. It's like a general respect. It's like a respect. So they also feel nice by somebody.
Proper.
अगर मैसेज रहेगा तो I try to put a message like send a thank you to the client and the model the next. और जितने भी मेरे क्रू को सबको एक मैसेज भेजते हैं. Thanks for the shoot. अच्छा हो shoot हुआ. This all thanks because assistants को भी मैसेज करता हूँ मैं. So if in case they are happy with the pictures. If in case I'm happy with the pictures, I send the pictures to the model also after taking permissions. Personal hygiene is of course like very important, well groomed. Like और एक मैं चीज देखा कि a lot of I'm sorry to say this, ये बहुत important सवाल मुझे बोलना ही है. A lot of photographers they spend a lot behind cameras, lenses, softboxes, lights, but personal hygiene में ध्यान देते नहीं है. And I would like to say in this open forum that it's basically cameras and lenses and lights are not important. It's the main thing is it's you. Like आपके खुद के ऊपर personal ध्यान देना. You have to dress well. You have to smell well, you have to deodorize, you have to wear a good perfume. Because camera lenses, ये सब तो बहुत बात की बात है. It's basically about you. And no celebrity wants कि तुम Nikon में shoot करते हो या Pentax में shoot करते हो. They are not bothered. So basically, it's the way you talk, the way the confidence you have, and how nice you are to people. So this is very important. Like खुद के अंदर ज़्यादा invest करो. I spend some money on a particular on a wardrobe, dress well. In case you go to US, you should see the photographers. They should see the way. They should see Richard Avedon the way he used to shoot. You must be knowing that.
And there's a
Well
suit
decked
when
up
we
in
get there.
suit book when shoot kar. I just I wrote that. So उसके बाद देख रहे you should always dress well when you're shooting a celebrity or something. So there are some photographers who carry fantastic cameras, but the way they dress so shabbily, it creates a very bad impression. So I request my assistants also to shoot, also dress well on that particular day with the proper
Yes.
shoes and everything.
Okay. Yeah.
So very, very important. So wear comfortable wash clothes and socks which should not stink. Shake hands with subject. Ensure your hands are clean. Carry a sanitizer irrespective of the pandemic. Ensure your crew emulate some good habits. Don't use cuss words or swear on the sweat. It's just not cool. कुछ लोग गाली देते हैं. So I think we should be nice to people. No faulty languages in the thing. If any of the crew member is unwell, so I ask them to go home. Like you should not spread the disease and stuff. So these are छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. This is my last slide. Photography is an art. Like photography एक art ऐसा कि everybody can learn. It is not ऐसा नहीं कि इसको सीखा है. It's like open platform. आजकल internet इतना available है. So I think anybody can understand photography and respect the model, the client, and the crew. Everybody deserves a respect. A shoot के दिन वहाँ पे 10-15 लोग, any shoot I have around 10-15 people in the sets. So everybody deserves a respect. You have to respect them and think differently how to improvise the shoot, because you are a photographer. You are not a person just to shoot a button दबाना नहीं आपका काम. You have to add some value to the shoot. Even in case you're shooting a simple class, कुछ अच्छा कुछ addition करना चाहिए आपको, कुछ creative input रहना चाहिए. So that's very very important. ये भी आपसे नहीं सीखा है. Think differently. Client को मिल गया मगर extra तुम क्या कर सकते हो? And good is always the enemy of the great. Come out with good images, great images, and shoot regularly. अभी ये pandemic में सब लोग बोल रहे हैं घर में बैठे मगर 3 महीने में तुम लोगों ने क्या किया? Shoot something. घर में बैठ के shoot करो. Morning sunlight, go to terrace, shoot something. नीचे जाके shoot करो. Shoot some vendors or hawkers or कुछ तो shoot करो या whenever your finger itches, you should shoot and treat your team well. Keep looking for the work. And काफी photographers के जो masters को उनका काम देखते हो. Like this is ऐसा time आपको कभी मिलेगा ही नहीं. ये pandemic में सब लोग घर में बैठे, तो ये time वही है. You have to check some other photographers. Like काफी लोग का काम देखो, learn from them. Internet is a fantasy. Look for photographers from Australia, from Sweden or London or US or California, anywhere. See different photographers work. Instagram is a fantastic media. So embrace technology, but don't get enslaved to it. Send feedback or work. Like कुछ भी रहेगा, criticism भी involve करो. Like show your work to senior photographers. Like काफी सारे लोग डरते हैं, अपना काम दिखाते नहीं किसी को. I don't know क्या problem है. They are very much worried कि public मेरे बारे में क्या बोलेंगे. But be open to criticism. अगर कुछ गलत रहेगा तो.
I will interrupt you here.
Yeah.
In fact, Niyati Shinde,
Yeah.
करके, she's a critic. She's like, very powerful. What do you call? She's an history buff. The works is still studied hard or not.
Wow.
She's in an international fora also. She's very recently, in fact, just this week she started on a thing called Photofora.
Photofora, okay.
Photofora, and she's bringing in photographers and mentors from all over the world.
Awesome.
And she's offering Indians to send their portfolio for review.
Awesome, very nice.
This is a small price because those guys don't come free. But यहाँ पे and वहाँ पे आसमान जमीन का फर्क है. And those guys will actually plan your portfolio and say, listen, if you do it this way, there's a chance of you getting work happening.
Exactly.
So आपने जो भी बताया ना कि you should show it to people and seek feedback and criticism.
Of course, very important.
You like you said, अपने वाले जो tight fisted है, क्योंकि अगर उनको 10 like मिल गया उसके ऊपर तो they think they are fantastic pictures. और अगर मेरे जैसा बंदा बोलेगा क्या बकवास है तो वो बोला ये कहाँ से
रोके जाएंगे.
आ गया. तो this is a very new thing that's happening. Photofora करके है. Check it out. Check it out. She had brought Alexander just this week, and that was an interesting talk that we had.
Fantastic.
With her, तो इंडिया में ये अभी पहली बार लॉन्च हो रहा है.
Super. Very nice.
Photofora, by the way, it's a trust, so it's not like it's a money making thing or something like that. But you can check them out and go for it.
Yeah, it's a great idea, of course.
Yeah.
And last three thing, welcome criticism. I still remember Girish bhai, I showed you my pictures in the way you criticized me when I was starting. That criticism definitely helped me a lot because it's like I'm keeping on improving my pictures. And I network constantly. I keep on meeting new people, new client, new agency people, and I review my work regularly. That's it happening. And yeah, this is my website. This is my Instagram, my email ID, my mobile number. If in any case anybody wants to get in touch with me regarding photography, I'm always available, and I will always I can always give guidance in case they need it. Plus always criticize and always give some critical suggestions to them in case that they want.
और हिंदी वाले लोगों को इन केस लास्ट में कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो प्लीज पूछ लीजिए.
Yes, I rush थोड़ा जल्दी किया मैंने क्योंकि टाइम कम हो रहा है. जस्ट लास्ट में 10 मिनट बहुत भगाया मैंने. 7:50 हो गया.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
So
it was a nice session because a lot of people, Rajesh Shekhar is a regular guy and he also likes to ask very interesting questions. So I'm very happy this time. There's a lot of interaction that's happening.
Great.
It has taken time for people to thaw and come out with questions and all, because not everywhere they get answers.
Yeah. So
here we are blunt with our answers.
Share my experiences to them. That's more important.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Because क्या होता है काफी सारे लोगों को फैशन शूट करना है, people शूट करना है, but they don't know the way to go through it. So my advice to you is shoot people continuously. आजू बाजू वालों को शूट करो. Try to network. For example, अगर आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, अगर इनकेस आपको अमिताभ बच्चन को शूट करना है तो ट्राई टू गेट अमिताभ के कांटेक्ट के तुम कैसे जा सकते हो. इस मेकअप मैन है, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट है. ट्राई टू गेट थ्रू हिम. यू नेवर नो. अगर आप ट्राई करोगे तो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क्स वंडर्स. एंड आई सिंसियरली बिलीव आप मेहनत करोगे तो डेफिनेटली क्लिक होता है. स्टार्टिंग में आपको करना है.
Absolutely. This was a very, very interesting session. In fact, like I said, Anwar says thank you, by the way.
Thank you, Anwar.
Anwar Thanwala says thank you. Anwar is a very, very, very old friend of mine. He knows me from when I was on my feet, in fact.
Okay. I know him very
and I think Rekha also has said, great presentation. Experience section was very helpful, very open-minded, and thanks for giving us so much knowledge. You're most welcome, Rekha. Join us again on Saturday. We are having this kind of webinars every Wednesday and Saturdays. So you should. It'll be very nice for you to attend these kind of sessions. So thanks a lot. Just hang on. I got to before I wrap up.
Okay.
I have one more slide to show to let people know who's coming in next. The Meet the Masterclassmen coming in on Saturday, which is 8th of August, 6 p.m. to 7:30, is Mohit Holani. Mohit is another fashion shooter, but believe it or not, he has recently turned into a car shooter.
Wow.
Yeah, बहुत ही मजेदार story है. Out of the blue, he gives me a call and says, "Sir, I have to shoot Jeep." And I said, "Mohit, तू तो fashion करता है." बोला, "हाँ, मगर मैं Jeep आया तो मुझे तो shoot करना है." So इसे मैं कैसे करूँ? And I'm explaining to him on the phone, and he is handling the shoot there.
Wow.
He gave me a WhatsApp. "Sir, shoot were gone well. Client loved it." So awesome. This is going to be very interesting next, because these are guys who just don't take no for an answer. आया मतलब खत्म करना ही करना है.
Of course.
The die-hard people. So I think it will be very interesting for you guys to see all these guys next.
So you're giving a running commentary to him. कैसे करना है?
Literally, and I do that for so many of my students. So many of my students call up and say, "Sir, आज कल phone आया मेरा." And I say, "Sir, I'm shooting so and so product. उसके ऊपर एक जाली सी है, तो जाली प्रोडक्ट को धुंधला कर रही है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे करना है." तो ऐसा कर, एक लाइट पीछे से दे, एक लाइट साइड से दे, सामने से मत दे.
Okay.
And he came back and said, "Sir, is this perfect?" I said, "Chalo."
That's experience, yeah.
Yeah, it's experience. It's experience. Plus my language, they understand.
Yes.
If I tell them put it on split, they understand what split is. It's not like a video. क्या बोल के गया,
Right.
So this will be a very, very, very interesting session with Mohit also.
Awesome.
So thanks a lot, Vinod, for being
welcome, sir. Always welcome.
So much of it. And in fact, when you wrote about the mentoring part of it, I was not having a clear picture.
Okay.
कि तू कैसे करने वाला, क्या करने वाला. वो तेरे लास्ट की जो 4-5 स्लाइड्स थी, now I know कि तुम you are opening your fist, because most people in India अपनी मुट्ठी नहीं खोलते. कभी आपने खोलना शुरू किया.
आपसे सीखा सर, आप कैसे ओपनली बोल देते हो.
I know, but मैंने बोला दिया जलता है. So So I'm very happy that you have become one of the lamps that is lighting other people's life. I'm very happy with that. I'm very proud of you. You know,
Great to leave a
so,
legacy. Yeah.
this was a nice session. I think we really enjoyed this stuff. There seems to be a question. What? How do we join these sessions? Please get for the link. Got it, sir, on FB. Thanks. Uh, thank you so very much, Vinod. And God bless you with many more successes in life. And जब आपने दिया चालू किया ही है तो फिर see to it that you don't back off from that. Do it.
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
मजा आता है, बहुत मजा आता है. You have no idea. Last 30 years of my life, especially when after I became a physically challenged person, my only fun in life has been sharing the knowledge that I have done with so many students of mine. And it is now a very distinct pleasure for me. This is the 11th episode. हम पहले already 10 कर चुके हैं, and we're going to do this because बहुत ही response है. So we want to do this for a long time if possible. And all I'm doing is introducing my students who are doing well, but they are only known in their own circles. So I'm just trying to bring them out and putting them in public. भैया ये देखो क्या करते हैं.
Right, of course.
आज उसमें से भी आपको सीखना मिले, आप लेके जाओ सीखने का जो भी है, you know. So thanks, man. Thanks. This was fun. बहुत मजा. One sec. Last. Girish, I heard you for the first time. Okay, you're most welcome to be my student too. Thanks, for introducing to Shari. You have converted somebody, it seems. Oh, you will enjoy. Don't worry. Trust me. You can hear from my students. You will thoroughly enjoy yourself and learn a lot. And maybe down the line tomorrow, Rekha, you might be on a webinar like this. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Yeah. And good night. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you on Saturday.
Thank you, Rip. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. Bye.